Okay, hi everyone, thanks for being here. I'm gonna keep working on my game. I hope you're having a good night or a good morning wherever you are. This is NerdyPunkDev and I'm gonna be working as always on my game Spaceman Memories, Unreal Engine, Crocotile, Blockbench, Aseprite, all sorts of stuff. So let's start. So yesterday and yesterday and the day before yesterday, I had been working on these new designs of houses, right? Yeah. So I've been watching some references. Let me show you a bit of what I'm talking about. So I've been working on something like this, right? Yeah, we've got this one. Maybe today I'm gonna start adding the other stuff like down here and shit. Yeah, so maybe I'll work on that. So let me fire up. We've got obsidian here. These are like the references. I was working on this one yesterday. When I was ending the stream, yeah, this was the one, which would be this one, this design. Let me just place the roof. We're not gonna be able to see this roof, but anyways, let's just have it for the sake of having it. Okay, so let me start. Okay, let's go into Crocotile. Let's fire up the project that we were working on. Yeah, okay, so small house too. Okay, remember this was the one. So I'm just gonna place a face that we're not gonna be able to see. Yeah, because of the camera of the game. So I'm just gonna have it just for the sake of having it there. So let me just place those faces. Yeah, just for covering. Yeah, the roof. Okay, so there it is. I'm gonna have this one. Let's have this one here. Okay, this one's gonna be... Okay, let me grab this vertex. So this one, we'll have it here. And this one, we'll have it here. Is it like snapping? Yeah. Okay, there it is. Awesome. So I'm just covering it just for the sake of it not being open. Even though we may never see this part of the house in Spaceman Memories because of how the game camera works, right? Yeah, so yeah, we may never see it. Okay, so... Why isn't it fucking snapping, dude? Snap, please. Snap, dude. Shit. Are you gonna snap, Vertex? I'm using the snapping which... Okay, there it is. Fuck yes. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so now it's covered. I'm gonna explore this one again. Bit on the motherfucking house. What's up, dude? I saw your message, dude. Sorry that I didn't answer it. I saw it like 10 minutes ago. Shit, dude, you really got it. Did you start using it? So Bit started working with Substance Painter, Substance Designer. So how is it, dude? Thank you for being here. Appreciate your time, dude. Very happy that you're gonna be using Substance, dude. That is a good piece of software. Adobe sucks as a company, but the software is good. Bit says I am learning it. Yeah, you like it? Shit. I assume that it is good, dude. A lot of people use it, so it makes a lot of sense that it is really, really good. So we can separate Adobe being a shitty company from Substance being a good software. But it says on Twitch, Blender material notes can't hurt me anymore. Oh shit. Oh shit, is it that good, dude? So Seraxis says, yo, what's up, people on Twitch? What's up, Seraxis? Thank you for being here, dude. Seraxis, very sorry. I have to send you something, right? I'm gonna send it after the stream. So how are you, Seraxis? Thank you for being here. But says on Twitch, well, Adobe didn't create it initially anyway. They bought it. They acquired it. Yeah, I know they acquired it. So it is a good piece of software, right? Yeah. It doesn't depend on Adobe it being good. So, Bit, what is the workflow that you're thinking, dude? So you're gonna do modeling on Blender. You're gonna texture on Substance. And then bring these models into Godot. That's what you're thinking. Seraxis says on Twitch, don't worry about it, dude. Yeah, I worry about it. I'll get back to you on that. Bit says yes. Also, that will be your workflow, right? So Blender, Substance, and Godot. Good shit, dude. Awesome. I want to see what you're working on. Let me know if you have anything to share. Seraxis says on Twitch, doing great so far, so good. How are you, people? So I'm good, dude. Yeah, better than yesterday. Yesterday I was feeling really, really sleepy. So today I am not. So I'm very happy. So I can make progress today. I can make more progress today. I can lock in a better way. So how about you, Seraxis? What are you working on? But it says on Twitch, we'll have to come back to Blender for rigging and animations too. Yeah, also, right, dude? But it would be like for characters, but for like appliances and shit, you would just worry about the texturing, right, and the materials. It says yeah, I read that one. Okay, so let's keep going. I'm gonna export this one. Yeah, I already exported this one, so I'm just gonna fix it here because it's open, right? We do not want this to be open, even though we're not gonna be able to see it like these faces, because Spaceman Memories is HD2D front camera. Just for the sake of being organized, right, we should close the models. Okay, so let me re-import this mesh, re-import the new file. Okay, so there it is. Is it replaced? Yes, there it is. So let's check it out again. So Seraxi says on Twitch, still sculpting the monster, so I finished 40% for the monster face. Dude, it was looking good yesterday, and the previous character you were working on has also been looking good, dude. So very happy on all of that you've been working on, Seraxis. You've been making good progress, dude. Yeah, good shit. I'm always happy to see all of you people doing your own work. It inspires me because there are days in which I don't feel like working. And I remember all of you people working, and I'm like, gotta grind, dude, gotta grind. Let's grind. So yeah, thank you people for sharing your work. Okay, let me... Oh shit, the fuck is happening here? Why do we have double face? That's good that I tried that, because I didn't know we had a double facer. But it says Godot had a new release with jiggle physics. Okay, Seraxi says thanks to you, dude, for talking about your stuff, sharing stories, coming here just to hang out. I appreciate this. Okay, so Bit sent me this link, dude. If this is a stupid link, I'm gonna ban you. Okay, it's not a stupid link. So we've got jiggle physics in Godot. 1 day ago it was released. Oh shit, dude, this looks cool, Bit. Are you excited about jiggling the boobs and shit? That's what you're gonna do, Bit. Oh, Bit, yeah, you said it. I hadn't even read the message, and Bit already had said, I will make big boobies. I knew it. I knew you were gonna say that shit, dude. Shit, dude, it really looks cool. Yeah, this jiggle physics. Oh shit, yeah, dude. Excited for Godot. Yeah, excited for the Godot community. Let's check it out. Like, oh yeah, good stuff, dude. Yeah, dude. So, dude, now you gotta work hard on the texturing and modeling and everything and materials to get the good physics. But it says booby monster. I knew it, dude. I knew it. I knew you were gonna start talking about boobs when we started this Godot physics jiggling conversation. I knew it. That was gonna be your way of talking about this topic. Okay, so let me see the fuck is happening here. Yeah, when did I bring this face here? Yeah, okay, let's try this again. So yeah, I have some double faces there. I didn't even know when the fuck did these faces appear. Okay, so let me just move this one. Okay, let me delete this one. Yeah, we've got a double face there. Let me see if it is connected to this vertex. Yes, it is. Hazev says, what's up, nerdy? What's up, my dude? So you just came here at the right time, dude, because Bit was talking about jiggle physics and making boobs with jiggle physics. So is that on your lane, Haze? Do you use those kind of systems in Unreal Engine? Because they are now implementing it in Godot, it seems. So Hazev says, of course he is. Yes, of course Bit is talking about boobs, right? Yeah. Abdi says hello on YouTube. What's up, Abdi? Thank you for being here. Appreciate your time. What are you up to? What are you working on? Are you working on games, art, music, playing games? Thank you for being here. Appreciate your time. So I'm just working here on my game, Abdi. This is a 2.5D game in Unreal Engine. I'm doing some houses today. Yeah, that's what I'm working on. So Hesef says on Twitch, I might mess with jiggle physics for a character in Seagull Saute. You should, dude. You should. Yeah. I want to try those systems. Not like in any fucking engine. I really want to finish Spaceman Memories because I want to finish it, right? Just for the sake of finishing it and finishing the project, but also because that would let me concentrate on other things, learning other systems that I'm not gonna be using for this one. Abdi says, hello everyone, how you all doing? We're doing good, Abdi, thank you for being here. I'm doing good. I'm working on the game. I'm working on some houses. Let me show you a bit of what I'm working on. Yeah, so yeah, I've been trying these new designs. I'm using right now Crocotile for this new design of houses. I'm using some references for like anime houses like Japan, right? Because my game is set in Japan. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. Abdi says, what did you all had for break today? Hezdev says, I had a beef burrito with Doritos. Yeah, that sounds like the dinner of champions. Dude, why do you start talking about burritos if we have beat on the stream? Let's not start talking about burritos with beat here. Seraxi says, I'm doing great, Abdi. How are you? Yeah, how are you, Abdi? Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. Okay, so let's go back here. It seems like the house is like the height is too high. And I want to make it a bit lower, right? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now. Hey, what were you working on today, dude? Yeah, are you going to live stream today or not yet? Yeah, let me know, dude, so I do not forget to raid you. So Seraxis says, I'm doing great. Yeah, I read that one. Hezdev says, fine, let's go back to talking about boobies then. Yeah, better. Way better than talking about burritos and beat and pants and shit. Yeah, let's go back to that one. Abdi says, doing good. Very happy, Abdi. What do you work on, Abdi? Or are you a gamer? Are you an artist, musician? Yeah, this is the vibe of the channel, Abdi. I just ask people what do they work on, just for the sake of sharing stories. Yeah, there's always good coming out of this kind of conversations. The fact that Pixel Artist says, yo, what's up, my dude? Thank you for being here. How was your day? Did you work on your stuff? Are you like editing videos and shit? What are you up to today? Abdi says, nice, Hezdev. Yeah, that's a nice dinner. That's a nice dinner. Hezdev says, I forgot that I was gonna stream today. Laugh out loud. Okay, so not streaming today until tomorrow then, I imagine. Okay, let me export the whole scene. Let's try this one. Yeah, because the height is a bit big. I want to see at least a bit of the roof. Yeah, at least a bit of the ceiling. So let me replace this one. Reimport with new file. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit too high. Let me see if we can see the roof now. Hezdev says, yeah, I read that one. Okay, yeah, so Defected, what are you up to, dude? Yeah, thank you for being here, my dude. Yeah, that one's better. Yeah, I can see a bit of the roof. I can get a roof in there. Let me go into Aseprite. Yeah, we're gonna do something very, very simple. Maybe, yeah, let me check this one. Okay, this is the one that we have. Let me go here. I may use what I already have. Yeah, I'm just gonna use what I already have. So written chat. So Defected says, I worked on the tutorial today. No video recording or editing yet. Like I'm not okay. Just getting the concept of the tutorial down and making sure everything works. Good, dude. Yeah, it's hard, dude, to make tutorials. They are fucking hard. Yeah, that's why I stopped doing them. They were so hard for me and taking so much time from Spaceman Memories that I just stopped. Yeah, but I understand where you're coming from, Defected. Hezdev says, I just don't know if I should stream if all I work on is the boring shit. Like I'm not at the stage of my game where I can make models every day for my game, you know. It makes sense, dude. I understand where this is coming from. Yeah, if I was in another stage of my game, yeah, definitely. But okay, let me read your other comment. You were considering doing live tutorials and uploading them on my channel afterwards. Yes, dude. That sounds like a plan. Yeah, you are a good teacher. You know your shit. But you would have to have a lot of topics, right? Look, so what would be your schedule for the live streaming? Like 5 days a week, 7 days a week, 4? Yeah, my question is regarding that, because you'd have to, if you were like going for 5 days a week, it had to be like 5 tutorials through the week. That's what you're saying? That is a good idea, dude. The tutorials. The fact it says gonna do fall, death, wall jump, double jump in this one. Oh shit, dude, that is a good tutorial. That's why it's taking so long, right? Abdi says, which engine are you using? I am using Unreal Engine, Abdi. Yeah, this is Unreal Engine 5. So yeah, this is how it looks. Thank you for asking, Abdi. How about you? You're using Game Maker? Abdi's using Game Maker. You've made 2 games. They are short, but I'm new to them, so you could say I'm a trainer. Good shit, dude. Do you have them on Steam, Abdi, or anywhere else where we can see them? I could share them here. Hezdev says, making tutorials is hard to make, dude. Good job making progress. They are hard, dude. Tutorials are fucking hard. Yeah, that's why I just stopped. They are so hard. The fact it says, yeah, my workflow is crazy for that tutorial videos. Yeah, dude. Yeah, you're doing my Game Maker drag and drop tutorials because they are so few and far between. I have seen that, dude. There's not that many. Anthony Gaming says hi on Twitch. Hi, Anthony Gaming. Thank you for coming in. How are you? How's life? What are you working on? Are you a gamer, game developer, artist? I just asked for the sake of asking, for knowing about people. Thank you, my dude, for coming in. The fact it says to Hayes, yes, it is definitely not an easy workflow. Not at all, dude. Tutorials are fucking hard. Hayes Dev says on Twitch, ideally, I'd like to stream during the week for 5 days. Yeah, that is ideal. 5 days, it's like the minimum. The advice that big streamers give, it's like 5 days, it's like the minimum. So just not sure the pipeline from streaming yet. Maybe you'll just go live and stop overthinking it. Yeah, dude, that is a good plan also. I did that this year. I didn't even know what the fuck I was gonna do on the streamings, how the fuck I was gonna talk, what my vibe was gonna be. I just started a 15th of January in a very random way with no plan, and I just have been going and figuring it out throughout the journey. So that could also be one. Hey, Abdi says you have your 2 games on Game Jolt. Oh shit, Abdi. What are the names? You could send them to me through my Discord server, because I have links disabled to prevent spam. So give me a second so I can send you my Discord and you can send it to me so I can share them here and people can see them. Yeah, good shit. I have used Game Jolt. I stopped using Game Jolt because the reach was very low for my stuff. But it is a good website. It is a good community. It's too bad that the reach is like not good for many things and good for other things. I really didn't get the hang of Game Build. So this is my Discord for anyone that's asking about it. So Anthony Gaming says on Twitch, I'm a gamer and also working on my game by myself. Good shit, dude. Which engine are you using? Yeah, Anthony Gaming. Awesome. The fact that says I use Game Maker to iterate ideas and prototypes, and we take the good ideas and make the games in Godot. Well, that's what we're doing with 2 of my prototypes. Oh, dude. I didn't know you were using Godot also. I thought about you as a Game Maker person. That's good stuff. Anthony Gaming says I'm using Unreal also. Good shit, dude. Which type of game are you making on Unreal Engine? Yeah, I'm always happy to see all sorts of people with different engines and shit. We are engine agnostic here in this community. Yeah, I'm using Unreal Engine, but I used Unity before. I've used Game Maker. I haven't used Godot. That is the one that I haven't used. Yeah, but yeah, I always like people coming in and sharing their stories and everything. Yeah, good chat, Anthony. Abdi, send me the details, dude, so we can see your games. That'd be really, really cool. The fact it says, I am new to Godot, but yeah, we're making our games in Godot. The original prototypes were made in Game Maker, though. Yeah, dude. Interesting workflow, Defected. I hadn't thought about you as a Godot developer, so it's cool to know this about you now. Yeah. That is some good lore about Defected Pixel Artists. The fact it says later bits, have a good night. You're gonna go watch some anime. Good shit, dude. Enjoy it. Thank you for coming in, saying hi, my dude. And I hope you enjoy Substance, dude. Let me know when you have anything to share, but have a good night, dude. Hezdev says on Twitch, for streaming, maybe I can put a list of topics to cover on stream and have viewers speak if they are in any chat. Yeah, dude. That would make things interactive. You have the knowledge, right, to teach many topics. I would say that you should just start, dude. Try this. Yeah, bring the topics, have them on the chat as a poll. Like, start like in a random way, but people can start coming into the poll, start voting and shit, and then you can pivot the live stream depending on how the poll goes. Yes, Hayes. Yeah, if there's one person that can do this, dude, if people started like voting on the poll that they want to see like control rig, I wouldn't know what the fuck how to do that in a real engine. So yeah, you have way more knowledge, dude, so you could definitely do this type of streaming. So don't overthink it, dude. Just come back, because very quickly you're almost there to become an affiliate. Yeah, it'd be really cool to start supporting you in that way, and you have the knowledge. I understand that for Seagulls out there it may not be the time, but you may do other things. Yeah, just don't. I would say his, and this may be an incorrect advice, right? This has just worked for me. It may not work for everyone. Like a good way of keeping up with this live streaming shit is not overdoing it, dude. If I was trying to do like 12 hours a day like pirate software, I would have already given up. Yeah, so that's why I limit myself to the 3 hours a night that I do. If not, I would already be burned out. Yeah. Anthony Gaming says on Twitch, I'm making a multiplayer survival game. By yourself, dude? That's cool. Do you have a Steam page? Where are you posting progress? That is cool. Unreal Engine using making a multiplayer survival. Defected says on Twitch, you could just slowly make a game like I'm doing. You'll eventually cover all topics. Yeah, Hayes could do this, dude. But I think that Hayes wants to focus on Seagulls out there also. So yeah, we gotta find a balance there. That's I told Hayes like the other day we were talking. I told him through direct message. I told him, dude, I limit myself to 3 hours every night to not burn myself out, and because I need to be more productive than I can be on a stream, right? So the hard stuff I can do it on my own time. So one has to find a balance there. I could try to go for 12 hours a day, but I think like for my type of energy I would already be burned out. So yeah, one has to find a balance there. The fact that says it would be only a tutorial session if you stay on topic and end the session after you're done. Yeah, dude. Yeah, definitely. Abdi says I added it on the forums. Fuck yes, go. Fuck yeah, let's go, dude. Let me go and see it. Hesdev says on Twitch, yeah, I like the 3 to 4 hour area. Yeah, it seems like 3 hours is like the minimum sweet spot for Twitch daily. If you go less than that, it seems like the algorithm it's not gonna help you that much. But 3 hours or more, it seems like the sweet spot. So Hesdev says, ideally, I'd like a chill time where I develop my game and then a section where I record a tutorial and stream because I want to build my channel up again. Yeah, dude, that sounds like a plan. And you could also interact, have it as a social time of the day, like a co-working time of the day. Yeah, so you can get many things from streaming. You can be productive, you can grow a community, and you can also have social interactions, which are really, really needed. So Abdit says it's called Bounce on Pixel. Okay, dude, let me check it out. So on the forum, it's posted, Bounce on Pixel. This is the game posted by Abdi, which is on Game Jolt. So let me check it out here, dude, on the screen. So people, this is Abdi, our new friend on YouTube. Also fellow game developer. Let me show all of you people here. So Anthony, let me know if you have anything to share, dude. Yeah, please let me know. So this is Bounce on Pixel. It's on Game Jolt. Can we see a bit of gameplay, dude? Is it like yeah, are there videos, are there images, or not yet? You have to like add stuff to it. Yeah, you're using Game Maker, just a fan of the OG in one of the base games. Yeah, you could send me a video also through Discord so we could see it here, dude. So this is the game Bounce on Pixel by our fellow game developer Abdi on YouTube, people. I'm gonna link it in the chat, dude, but it'd be cool to see how it looks. Yeah. Let me read other comments. So the fact that it says each of my videos are direct continuation of the last video, so I don't even know what kind of game I'm making. I'm just adding mechanics each week. It forces me to work on it. Yeah, dude, that is a good way. Yeah, not having a plan sometimes is a good plan. Yeah, not it's not like for everything you should have a plan. Sometimes not having a plan can work. Yeah, so yeah, it just pushes you to come back every day. Yeah, there are days in which I know what I'm gonna do on the live stream. There are days in which I do not know what I'm gonna do on the live stream. I just start the live stream and figure it out throughout the way on the live stream. Yeah, so I get you, Defected. Defected says, I know it's gonna be a 2D platformer, but that's it. Yeah, I understand it. Anthony says, I have nothing yet, just started. Good shit, Anthony. How long have you been working with Unreal Engine then? Is this like the first engine that you're using Blueprint, C++? Are you like a seasoned developer or less of a seasoned developer? Okay, so let me export the house again so we can go into the next one. Yeah, hey Steph, yeah, what I was saying, dude, there are days, dude, in which I clearly know what the fuck I'm gonna do on the live stream. Yeah, I know it beforehand. But there are days in which I don't really fucking know, dude. I just click the start streaming button on OBS and I figure out throughout the way. It's just keeping the habit. Yeah, I just try to keep the habit of coming back every day. And I do something every day. Yeah, and the community comes in, the community grows. It's just about keeping the habit. Hezdev says, I might just work on my commissions on stream at this point. Yes, dude. Don't overthink it. You might just work on your commissions on stream at this point because you were making very good work on your commissions. The character that you were doing the other day in Blender, I'm really sure that people would really like to see that shit, dude. Like how you're doing it and stuff. Yeah, dude, for sure. For sure. So, Abdi, let me know if you have any video somewhere so we can see the game. Anthony says on Twitch, first time using Blueprint, so it might take long. It might, dude. It might, because it's not easy, right, to learn a new system. But if you put in the hours, you're going to start making progress, dude. So just not stop. Do not stop. And your game is going to start coming along. Yeah, thank you for coming in, Anthony Gaming. That's really, really cool to have you here on the channel. Another fellow game developer using Unreal Engine. Okay, so we've got this one. Let's go back into Unreal so we can re-import it. Yeah, this is the right height. Definitely, this is the right height. We can see a bit of the ceiling now. Let's check it out. And let's do the other one. So maybe we can work in Blockbench today, adding like the props around the houses and shit. Okay. Good houses. They look like anime for sure. Good chat. So Anthony says, yeah, I read that one. Okay, so let's keep going. So Defected, what is the hot take of the day? Dude, you're always doing the hot takes, not politics, please. Fucking please, right? Bit went away. Bit started talking about boobs, dude. As always, right? This is Bit. So yeah, how could we continue the conversation? Good people are watching today. Fun people are watching today. Yeah, everybody's using different engines, different tools. So I like this conversation. So hey, I think many people would be looking forward to seeing you work, dude. Whichever thing that you're gonna work, just the power of keeping the habit. I think that's the thing of coming to the live streaming shit every day, just for the sake of coming in. Maybe sometimes you have a plan, maybe sometimes you don't, but just clicking the start stream button, yeah, that's what keeps things going. Okay, let's do the other house. This one looks cool. I like this one. Let's go and see. It would be this one, right? Yeah, this one is a bit more simple, but I can see some stuff there. Yeah, some different stuff like this. Yeah, this thing here, like this orange stuff. So yeah, good shit. Let's try this one. Yeah, different colors. So let me should I do this through Pixel Basher or can I do it here? I think I can do it here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna edit this texture. Hezdev says hell yeah, dude. Yeah, hell yeah. Just the power of coming back, dude. Clicking the button, start stream. I have seen that, dude. I have seen that, the results of that. And sometimes I don't have a plan. I just try to keep the habit. The fact it says fucking nerdy inspiration. Thank you, dude. Thank you for saying that. Maybe some people think that I know what I'm doing in every way, that I have it figured out, and I fucking don't, dude. I fucking don't have it figured out. I don't know what I'm doing in many ways. I just try to keep the habit, and it has been cool. It has been giving me cool results. The community has grown. I don't feel so alone now as a solo game developer. It really felt as a solo. I really felt like a solo game developer before starting live streaming this year, and now I don't. It feels like a co-working space. Anthony Gaming says, what type of games did you make? So I have tried making all sorts of smaller games before this one, dude. A lot of unfinished projects with different kind of engines like Unity, RPG in a Box, Game Maker Studio. Yeah, never released any of these games, dude. Yeah, never sold any of those. This is the first game that I'm gonna release as a fully featured game on Steam. The fact that pixel artists redeem punish someone avatars on screen. Who are we gonna punish? The fact that tell me. Hey, they're sending the love. Thank you, my dude. Appreciate it. So Anthony, yeah, this is the first game, dude, that I'm gonna release on Steam. Yeah, so yeah, this is how things are, people. Maybe people may think that I'm here live streaming and shit and working with Unreal Engine, and the game may look cool for some of you. Maybe for some of you it doesn't. You may think that I haven't figured it out and I have released games and shit. This is gonna be the first game. Yeah, I'm just figuring it out throughout the way. Calavero says, not me. Not you what, dude? The fact it says one of the new guys. Who is okay? Which one of the new guys? It could be Calavero defected. Yeah, oh, Calavero says not me. You should have said Calavero defected. Yeah, I would have really enjoyed punishing Calavero. So we're gonna punish Anthony Gaming because you are new here, and defected says that I have to punish one of the new guys. So Anthony Gaming, very sorry, but I'm gonna have to hang your avatar up here. These are the rules. There it is. Your avatar is gonna be hanging up there a couple minutes. Yeah, these are the rules, dude. I'm very sorry. Anthony Gaming says, what? No, dude, it was defected. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. So you gotta figure it out with defected. He could be your enemy, not me. I'm just following orders. That is a very bad phrase to use. I'm just following orders. The fact that sending the emojis, let's fucking go. Serax is laughing at this. Yeah, so these are the vibes in the channel, dude. You can redeem the points for share on the overlay. I could use a Pikachu hat if you have the points and shit. Yeah, we're just trying to have fun while I work in the game. So Anthony Gaming is laughing. Yeah, dude. Yeah, these are the vibes. Okay, let's do another house. Yo, Calavero, what are you working on, dude? Or are you playing today? Are you like having a pina colada and a beer and shit? This guy always comes here and says that kind of shit just to make me feel like shit. Yeah, like I'm drinking a pina colada and you're working there on Twitch. Yeah, stupid. Yeah. So Anthony, yeah, dude, I would really like to see what you are working on in the future. Yeah, dude, it may feel overwhelming, but you're not gonna know everything. That's what I could say. Yeah, just keep going, dude. Just keep going, keep the habit, and you're gonna figure it out throughout the way. With any engine, not just Unreal Engine or Blueprints, with any engine. Okay, let's do the other house. I'm gonna create a new scene, and this one, right? Let's go and see the reference. Yeah, it's like a whitish beige. So let me try this one. So I do not have to go into Pixel Basher for this one. Okay, so it would be around here. No, less saturation. Seems like more lightness. Okay, there it is. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, let me check out the image. Yeah, this one it is. Yeah, fuck yes, there it is. How about the windows? Yeah, I could make the windows here without going to Pixel Basher. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do them here. So let me look at the windows, how they look. Yeah, it's like double of these ones. So I'm just gonna copy this ones. Let me go view, show grid. There it is. Okay, awesome. So defected, you just came here to punish the new people, dude. I'm very sorry to Anthony because you use those points just to do that. So what would be your hot take of the day? Defected always does this, like comes in with the hot takes, makes people fight and shit. We could do that, dude. We could do that today, just to have fun. I'm gonna stop you people when it starts getting too hostile. I am a mediator. Yeah, that is my personality. I am a mediator. I do not like people fighting, and I do not like fighting. It makes me anxious. Polyfilm says, fuck you all. See, people, I have to stop this type of crazy people on the internet from insulting all of you. What's up, Polyfilm? Thank you for being here. No, I'm just joking. Polyfilm is a very good friend. What's up, bro? Thank you for coming in. Polyfilm just came here and said, fuck you all. What's up, dude? Thank you, dude. You made me laugh. That is the vibe of the channel, people. Polyfilm says to Polyfilm, fuck you. The fact it says, I figured Hessian could be a valuable tradition for the nerdy community. Polyfilm says, just arrived. I don't even know what's going on. Yeah, dude. Yeah, what the fuck is going on? Yeah. Calavera says intrusive thoughts, wonder. Yeah, and Polyfilm. Yeah, those were some intrusive thoughts. Polyfilm sending love to Hastev. Defected sending love to Polyfilm. That actually says some daily stream vibe. Yeah, dude, these are the vibes. So for whomever is new here, these are the vibes. People are crazy. I am crazy. Yeah. It is what it is. We just like to have fun. Maybe some of you were like, oh my god, who the fuck is this Polyfilm person saying fuck all of you? That is so offensive. They should ban this person. No. He's a friend, people. He's a friend. Seraxis says some daily stream. Oh, I read that one. Yeah, so Polyfilm. I'm working on the houses, dude. Still working on the houses. I'm gonna make the new one. I've got this one and I've got this one. So I'm gonna continue with the other ideas, my dude. So what about you? I saw you were working in Audio Shed on Instagram. What are you working on, Polyfilm? Instead of sending love to Polyfilm. When people start telling each other, fuck you, in a loving way, that's when you know people start liking each other. Yeah, I know that I'm becoming friends with someone if I can openly tell them fuck you. Yeah, so Polyfilm knows that we're all friends here. Okay, let's go back here. Let me replace this one. Okay, so let me check out the reference. Yeah. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna make this one like this. Let me paint some pixels here. Yeah, so it's one whole window. Yeah, check it out. There it is. That's one whole window now. Just gonna add this one here. I'm gonna paint this one here. So Seraxi says true. Yeah, it is true, dude. It really is true. Polyfilm says, been testing some VSTs and fooling around Ableton. Tried to connect my PS4 controller to control MIDI, but failed. Shit, dude. Is this the first time you're trying to use a PS4 controller to control MIDI? Or did you make it work in the past? That sounds like on my lane, dude. Using a controller to control MIDI. Holy shit, that's a good idea, Polyfilm. Yeah, dude, for sure. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna invert it here. This one, flip, vertical. Okay, there it is. Okay, let me do these pixels. So Anthony, Abdi, if you have any other questions, please let me know. Yeah, don't hesitate to ask me any other question if you have any other one. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna do it here. This one, I'm gonna bring it here. Okay, Hesdev says, Nerdy, how are you approaching saving data in the game for save slots? Dude, I have tried many ways, and I have been having issues with that. So I am saving a lot of variables and many things to the game instance, right? Is that the way that you do it, Hesdev? Yeah. I'm managing many things on the game instance and then saving many things into the save system, but yeah, it has been tricky in some ways. I have been thinking about using some plugins, but I do not know because they're a bit expensive. How about you? Do you use plugins or the regular save system of Unreal Engine? So that's the typical way you do it. Yeah, the instance, right? But I'll be using a plugin for seagulls out there. Which one, dude? Yeah. Which one? Anthony Gaming says, did you use a table? No, dude, I didn't. I just have the variables there. Yeah, I am not a good programmer or coder. Anthony Gaming. I do things in a very, very hacky way. Yeah, so you wouldn't take professional advice of how to use blueprints from me. I make the game work as in gameplay, but the underlining code behind it, it's a fucking mess, dude. I can clearly tell you that. People have seen it here on my live streams that I have a lot of spaghetti code. Those are my vibes. Yeah, so let me read some comments now. So Hezef says, easy multi-save is what I'll be using for Seagulls out there. I had my fair share of saving and loading the traditional way, and I don't feel like doing it that way because it's annoying as fuck. Yes, I have seen it, dude, that it's annoying as fuck. How much does this one cost? Easy multi-save. Oh, what's up, Catches13? I'm gonna call you Catches13, dude, because maybe Q13 mods is harder. Yeah, I think Q13 mods is harder. So I'm gonna call you Catcher13. A table would probably work, huh? Interesting. Yeah, a table could probably work, dude. It's just that I am disorganized. Calavera says, where's the Limbo guy? I want to say hi to a real pro today. So the Limbo guy is not here today. If he comes later, I'm gonna let you know. Yeah, not here yet. Catcher says, no problem. What's up, dude? What's up? What are you working on today? Hezef says CC multi-save is 90. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, dude. These systems are very expensive on FAP. So Hezef calls fab.com fap.com. So you got it for free years and years ago when it was free for the month. Oh, shit. Hezef says to Calavero, you can say hi to me. Yeah, you can say hi to a real pro today. Because Hezef is also a real pro. Anthony Gaming, just follow my dude. Thank you for taking the time to do that. I appreciate your time. And yeah, thank you, dude. Thank you for following me on Twitch. That is very supportive. I appreciate it. So Polyphene says, what Limbo guy played? That's Dev here. Yeah, I'm going to tell you that story. Catcher says, I'm just relaxing watching the stream. Good, dude. Good. You didn't work today? You didn't work in the game dev and stuff today? Calavera says, tell the story to the new guys. Also, we were talking yesterday with this guy called Barak on Twitch. And Barak was telling the story of how he go... okay, Hezdev sending loves to Calavero. Yeah, hi, Hezdev. Yeah. Yeah, Hezdev is a pro also. This motherfucker does wins game jams, does freelancing work, does his own games, does his own tutorials, sells his own assets. Yeah, this is a real pro. So Catcher says, no game dev today. I took a day off. Good, dude. It's good to take days off. Polyphene says it's Barak the Mojang guy. Yeah. So he said the story about how he got into Mojang, that it wasn't easy. It took him 13 years to get into Mojang. Yeah, on working on the industry before getting to Mojang. So he had to work for 13 years before he could apply and go there. And one of the places that he worked on was Playden. He was one of the people that worked on Limbo. Yeah, that's the story that we're talking about, Paul of him. Yeah, so it takes a long time. It takes a long time. He said to me that he had to go through university with a couple scholarships that he was very fortunate to get because his parents weren't able to pay for this kind of good universities, and it took a long time. That's the story that he was telling, that because someone asked, maybe there was Catches, right? Maybe I'm mistaken. Yeah, but somebody asked, how do you get into a company like that one? And he said, dude, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of work, and it took me a lot of years. Yeah, Catches was. Yeah, you did. So yeah, that was a very sincere answer from Barak. Yeah, you would have thought that someone that works in those places would have said like, oh, I'm just like that good and shit, and I learned things in 1 year and I got into this place. But no, he was very, very honest. Yeah, 13 years to get into a place like that one. Catcher says, it was extremely insightful. Yeah, it was, dude. It was. So Polyphene says, holy shit, come back, Barak. I summon you. Hezdev says, if you'd like an easier solution to saving and loading, like always, dude, my DMs are open. We can discuss shit. Okay, dude. Okay, I will send you a DM, because yes, the default one is a bit like tricky. Yeah, and these plugins are expensive as fuck. for sure they are expensive as fuck. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use Pixel Basher for something. So Hezdev knows a lot, people, about Unreal Engine for sure. So Hezdev is on my Discord server. Hezdev also has his own Discord server. You can find all Hezdev's info there. On my Discord, you can find his profile and you can click any of his links and everything, and you can find all of the things that Hezdev has worked on in Unreal Engine. Okay, so let me fire up here Pixel Basher. Shit, let me see. Okay, reading chat. So Polyphil says, gotta have to watch the stream then. What did he work on in Limbo? He said he worked in QA, quality assurance, testing, and a bit of programming. That's what he said. That was the story. So it must have been when he was younger, right? Yeah, Hezdev says, dude, I found a plugin today that allows timelines in components. I bursted with excitement. That shit was so annoying to not being native on Unreal. Is it also paid, dude, or is it free? Yeah, cool shit, dude. Send it over on the Discord so other people can check it out also. Okay, so let me open up the previous house. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep this one. Yo, wasn't I changing the color of this? I didn't save it. Yeah, I'm fucking stupid. Yeah, like always. This is typical. Okay, this one I'm gonna do a bit of more lightness. So it looks like beige. This is the house that I'm trying to do now. Yeah, that one. So I'm gonna do the saturation a bit. There it is. Awesome. Okay, fuck yes. So I'm working on these houses. For anyone that's watching for the first time, working on these new houses for my game with Crocotile, because it had been a while working with Crocotile and trying some new designs. And I did this one, and I'm gonna try this one now. It's more simple in a way, but then I'm gonna go into Blockbench. Yo, bomb run of in-screen avatars redeemed by defected pixel artists. Let's fucking go, dude. Let's do the bomb run. So for all of you people, you want to be part of the bomb run, want to see your avatar getting bombed, start chatting. We're gonna have more bomb runs throughout the day. So there it is. Thank you, defected, for redeeming it using the points in chat. Yeah, this is cool. So give me just a sec, people. I'm getting back to chat to read the comments. Hezdev hanging in there on the corner. So go flying, dude. Go flying. Don't be hanging in there in a random way. Okay, so bomb run finished. Thank you for using the points, dude. Okay, so let me read the comments. Hezdev says, yeah, it's paid. How much does it cost? Polyphil says, oh, that's what the dev kits and console applications talk was about. Yes, he said that. You had to pay like a lot of fucking money to PlayStation, to Sony, dude, to get even a game like Limbo into the console. Hezdev says on fap.com. Yeah, the plugin, right? Yeah. Don't click on that link, people. That one, the one that Hezdev sent. Please don't click on that one. I don't even know what the fuck is behind that link. Anthony says, I like how the houses look. Thank you, my dude. I try to keep a Japanese aesthetic, right? I'm always looking for this Japanese aesthetic. Not always. Sometimes I take a bit of liberties, like on this ones. I took a liberty there just for the sake, because it's a game. I can do whatever the fuck I want to do. But yeah, I try to keep a Japanese aesthetic on most of the things of the game. So, yo, I won 5 points from the Jump Cash game. Yo, holy shit. Hezdev says component timeline on Fab costs $12.99. Oh, that's cool. That one sounds cool. Yeah, the other one is like $90 fucking dollars. That one sounds crazy. Hezdev says there's other things I could call it. FAP is the least offensive. So we're talking about the Unreal Engine Marketplace, people. We're not talking about the word FAP, because the Unreal Engine Marketplace is called FAB, and Hezdev calls it FAP with a P. Hezdev calls it that way. So please understand the context of what we're talking about. Serax is laughing. Yeah. Polyphil said, how has been the feedback from Tokyo? So it was good, dude, but it wasn't that much as I would have liked, because it seems like everybody was way too busy. Yeah, because the photos that I got from the booth were from the guy, the game dev that was on the booth next to my games. He was very busy. He gave me a couple of notes. I think that the most important one is that no one felt offended by the game. I think that's the most important for me. I was really anxious about it. Joey Toro rated with a party of 6 viewers. Holy shit, Joey. What's up, my dude? Thank you for being here. What's up, Joey's gang? Meow gang. How was your live stream, Joey? Yeah, what's up, fellow raiders? So, some of you may know me, some of you may not know me. I am NerdyPunkDev, and I am crazy, and I am very good friends with Joey Toro. So what's up, Joey? How was your stream? Appreciate you coming in, my dude. We're just talking about game dev, dude, and we were talking about the Tokyo Festival. I was answering a question to Paul of him, so I'm gonna answer the question there, Paul of him. Yeah, I just want to do a shout out to Joey. So there it is, Joey Toro, fellow game dev streamer. People, go and give him a follow. The fact that it says Joe Raiders, Polyphone says, oh shit, I forgot about being offensive to another culture. That's a good point. Yeah, dude, I was being very wary about the game and the culture and the translations and shit, and that for me, that is good. That the guy played it, the guy next to my booth played it, and he said, yeah, I just would tweak some of translations, some words. I would fix some of the things, but people played it, he said to me, and they got to the end of the demo to where they should get. So that was most of the feedback that I could get, because it seems like the organizers were very busy. They didn't give me contact to the volunteers because of privacy reasons, and the fellow game dev was also very busy. As it says, Nerdy, feel free to send a build over if you'd like some player testing. Always down to help out a friend. Dude, I'm setting it up through Steam to send it to my close game dev friends. Yeah, to do the playtest. So I want to see how it's working through Steam. Want to see how updates are set up. So I'm setting that up right now with Steam. They have to answer me to approve the build. Joey says, Joey Toro, the stream was chill, did some UV mapping and low poly stuff. Oh shit, dude. I hate UV mapping, Joey. Do you like UV mapping, Joey? Yeah, it's not that I hate it, dude. It's just that I suck at it. So I might as well just say that I hate it. Polyphone sending love. Joe Toro says so. Dude, how was it? It was good, dude. It was good. People got into the booth. Let me show you a bit of the people playing here. So my regular browser was crashing. So let me see if I can access my Twitter on the other browser. Yeah, give me just a sec here, people. So we can see a bit of the pictures. Or maybe on Instagram. Maybe. Yeah, I cannot go in. So maybe on Instagram I can show you to some of you that haven't seen the photos. So these were the vibes. So let me show you a bit here. Yeah, so people were playing, people were coming to the booth. This is the booth that they assigned to the game. So yeah, I can see the people playing. I can see people making progress. This is like the end of the demo that I sent. So remember the baby? I had the baby there on the ending dungeon of the demo. So it's good that they got to that point. So it lets me know that people understood the mechanics and shit, and they could make progress. So yeah, these were the vibes there in Tokyo. Yeah, people were playing, but I didn't get like any specific information because it seems like everybody was too busy to take notes. Everybody was in their own booth taking notes about their own feedback. So yeah, too bad, but I understand, right? I understand. So the fact that it says gotta get going later on, my dude, thank you for coming in. I appreciate your time. Have a good night, my dude. Have a good night. Polyphone says to the fact that take care, man. Yes, take care. Joey says I love it when it works. UV on rapping yet. I don't even love it when it works, but it's interesting to see how things work, right? Polyphone says that is like a preview of the actual main event, right? I'm a bit confused with the date being the 20 something. No, dude, that was the main event. Yeah, I told you, right, on one of the previous live streams that I felt like the organization was a bit disorganized in some ways. I didn't want to talk shit because they were so good to me, giving me the booth, but I was very confused on many dates, the Steam events, how some things worked. But no, that was the main event, dude, this last weekend. It's done. The Tokyo Indie Game Summit, it's done. His Def says, this must make you so happy seeing random people sitting down and playing your game. It does, dude. It really blew my fucking mind. One can see these kind of things in a very, very simplistic way, like just saying like, oh yeah, some random people in Asia playing my game. But no, dude, for me it's not like that. For me, it's fucking crazy, dude, that I grew up playing all of these Japanese games, and now me being able to bring my game to Japan, dude, and seeing the people during a game event. I am still processing that shit, Hastem. Yeah, for sure, dude. Heavy shit. Catcher says, next time you have to be there yourself. This is awesome to see, though. Yeah, dude. It would be really cool. Calavera says, no demo for family? What the fuck? No demo for cousins, people. For family and shit. No demo for this kind of people. No, I'm gonna send it, dude. I'm gonna send it. I'm sending it up through Steam. So, close people. Calavera says, I'm subscribing. You cannot unsubscribe, dude. You already paid. No, I'm setting it up through Steam. Yeah, the demo, so I can see how the updates work. I haven't figured out that system, like how to update games through Steam and shit. So I want to send it through Steam, not like the build that you can run through Windows, because I want to see how things work. If things are working okay through Steam and shit. Polyphone says, audio back? Yeah, I heard that. Yeah, the audio was like crashing there. Polyphone says you could play that demo for us here. Dude, it makes me anxious. It makes me too aware of myself. I would really prefer other people playing the game than me playing the game. I'm gonna give you access to many of you people to the demo through Steam. Yeah, it makes me anxious, dude. It's like seeing a recording of myself and hearing my own voice. Do you know that feeling of hearing your own voice? Feels like shit on a recording on a video. It does feel like that, Polyphone. Polyphone says, made me happy and it's not even my game. Thank you, my dude. Thank you, my dude. I appreciate it. Hedef says, we need to get nerdy rich from subs and bits so we can go to these events. Let's hope, dude. Let's hope that at least when I sell the game, I can afford like at least one trip. That would be more than enough. One trip to Japan, dude. Showing the game in Japan one time. So Polyphone, I'm gonna give you access to it. Don't worry about it. Abdi says, hey, yeah, added images and video to it. Oh shit, I'm gonna check it out. Hedef says, damn nerdy, you were quick with it. Fix that shit quick. Let's fucking go. Yeah, dude, I heard it there and I was like, oh shit, yeah. I'm getting better at fixing this fucking audio interface. Anthony Gaming says, me too. Okay, we're gonna have to have that close beta. Yeah, I'm gonna set it up, people. I'm gonna ask for the keys on Steam and join the Discord. So if you're on the Discord, you may have access. I'm not promising access to everyone because I want to see how the Steam keys work, how many keys can they give for a closed beta and shit. I gotta figure that shit out. Hedef says, I despise my own voice. Yes, dude. I despise my own voice. I despise my own face. And it is like that feeling. It would be that feeling playing my own game here in front of all of you, dude. It would be way too fucking weird. It's like watching you in the mirror while other people are watching you. Yeah, it would be better to give you access to some of you through Steam. Way better, Polyphone. Yeah, too much anxiety. It would be Popcat says Olis on Twitch. This Olis, that Olis is Latin American. Are you from Latin America, Popcat? Yeah, that sounds Latin American. That is like, oh, you are. Yeah, that was really Latin American. Where are you from? Can you say where you are from? Calavera says, don't worry, nerdy, I was just kidding. No, dude, I know you weren't kidding, but I have to give access to many of you through Steam. Yeah, because I can see how the updates are working, the controls are working and shit. Yeah, I want to see how the installation works. Popcat says, I am from somewhere in Latin America. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Great. So, habla español, ¿verdad, Popcat? Polyphone dice, Olis macaronis. Yeah, this is Spanish, so what's up, people? Popcat says, I do. Jitspode rated. Oh, holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Jitspode rated with a party of 45 viewers. Oh my god. Jitspode, how are you, dude? Oh shit, dude. You just made me anxious with all of these people. Thank you for coming in. Yo, Toro says, holy moly. Yeah, holy moly. Yeah, heck yes. Thank you for coming in, people. Yeah. Aseprite 5, thank you for coming in. Thank you for leaving a message. You won't be able to be here at the moment. Be safe. Thank you, my dude, for coming in. I appreciate your time. Let's go. Yeah, Puppet says, holy moly, Jitspo. Yeah, dude. Thank you. Yeah, Calavero says, now you have to be productive. Yes, let's be fucking productive. So, Jitspo, thank you for coming in. This is another fellow game developer, people, with really, really good vibes. Yeah. I was the first time that I went and watched Jitspo, I was like, holy shit, I like the energy of this guy. And you coming in today, dude, I gave you a shout out there. So people, please go and follow Jitspo because he's a really, really good live streamer. Yeah, I'm not making this shit up. Yeah, this is for real. Hezef says, get to fucking work, nerdy. Be productive to the people. Yeah, we're gonna be productive. Jitspo says, what's to be anxious about? Just 70 extra pairs of eyes. Yeah, dude. Yeah, just 70 extra pairs of eyes. Yeah, dude. Thank you. Thank you for coming in, my dude. I appreciate your time and your community. So, Jitspo community, I am NerdyPunkDev. I'm working on this game called Spaceman Memories. It's a 2.5D game in Unreal Engine. Let me show you a bit of it. Yeah, let me fire up maybe a dungeon. Yeah, which dungeon was I working on? Let me open up this one. So our 5 says Jitspo is creating a game of Cook. It's creating a game of Fist of the Forgotten. Those are his 2 games. Yes, I know what Jitspo is working on. This is a very good game, dev people. I was like wondering, like, how can you manage all of these projects? And he's this good. He's this good. So people, new people here on the channel, this is my game, Spaceman Memories. You can find it there on the pin message to the Steam page. It's a 2.5D pixel art game that I'm making in Unreal Engine. So these are the vibes. It is set up in Japan. It has influences from Pokemon, Earthbound, Zelda, like all sorts of things. We've got puzzles. Yeah, we've got things like this. We've got traps. Okay, we've got traps there. Let me show you some of the traps here, and then I'm gonna show you a bit of the turn-based battles, right? Yeah, so this is my game, people. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate your attention and your time. And yeah, thank you, people. Polyphene says, let's see those prime subs, people. Gotta pay the prime tax. Nah. Oh shit. Okay, we've got traps here, so check it out. We've got traps, we've got fire traps. So this is one of the dungeons. I'm gonna show you a bit of the turn-based battles so you can get the hang of the game. Okay, so we just failed there. I died trying to play my own game. So this is what I was saying to Polyphene. Playing my own game is like too self-aware. It makes me anxious to play it in front of other people. So yeah, that's the vibe. So let me show you a bit of the battles so you can see maps. Where is this one? Yeah, maybe this one. Okay, Jitspo says, I like the environment. Thank you, my dude. This is a dungeon. That is a dungeon. We're gonna have like overworld stuff and shit. Let me show you a bit of like the overworld. Yeah, let me fire up this one. So what I'm currently working on today, people, is I'm working on some houses because I want to have like some new design. So I was doing this house here in Crocotile. I was doing this one also. Those were the ones that I had set up there. So let me show you a bit here of the game. So this would be the starting point. I have to add other things to the starting point, right? But this is like the starting point of the game. We're gonna start at the inside the space capsule. Yeah, this is not like the real starting point of the game. So let me show you just a simple battle. Yeah, this is a placeholder simple battle. Don't wanna spoil any of the new enemies that I'm gonna have. So yeah, it's a turn-based battle system. It's a 2.5D JRPG, classical JRPG. We've got dialogues. Yeah, the enemies are gonna tell you shit. They're gonna insult you and shit. Yeah, that is the vibe of the game. Average 5 says, I just did a spoiler. Let me read what you said. So Selena ain't come to life yet in my video game intentionally, needing to live out the life of a few game characters. I've got this necessary that I pray and plan out my life a bit. Is this a spoiler from your game, Avarasage 5? So you created a painting of Jitspo. You're still working on it. So is this a spoiler for your game? Are you also working on games? Jitspo says, oh yeah, I read that one. Yeah, so Jitspo community, thank you for being here. This is my game. Yeah, I just wanted to show you a bit of it. It's got turn-based battles, it's got puzzles, it's got fictional Japan. We've got spirits and shit, dungeons and everything. Yeah, punish someone's avatar on screen redeemed by HazeDev. HazeDev, who do you want me to punish? Polyphim says, what? Yeah, I was that was also a what for me. Hezef says, let's show these new kids on the block the vibe of the stream. Punish Avazara 5. Oh, that's... Yeah, I am not a native English speaker, people. So sometimes my pronunciation may be shit. So I'm very sorry about it. So we're gonna punish Avazara HZ5. Okay. I need to be punished. Oh, hates them. What did you get yourself into, dude? So let's find your avatar, Eva Sara. Okay, here it is. No, that's Polyphim. Oh shit. I just punished Polyphim. Yeah, I didn't want you punish you, dude. So this is Eva Zara. Yeah, okay, there you are. There is your avatar. It's gonna be punished there, hanging up there on the screen a couple minutes, right? So Polyphim, I'm very sorry, dude, for pinning your your character. Oh shit, dude, I cannot unpin your character. You're gonna be like hanging there a couple minutes. Very sorry, Polyphim. You were collateral damage. Oh, who redeemed something? Boss battle of fin screen avatars redeemed by Polyphim. Oh shit. Joe Toro says the vibes are immaculate. Yes they are, dude. Yes they are. He just says yo. I accept, says Ava Zara. Dude, you'd have to continue this conversation through whispers. Polyphim says nice name to Ava Zara. Hezef says bomb run. Do the boss battle with all these people. Yes, let's do the boss battle. Ava Zara followed. Thank you, Ava Zara. Appreciate you following. Yeah, let's do the boss battle. And then we're gonna do a battle royale. I'm gonna give a battle royale to the community. So if you want an avatar, people, and be part of the boss battle, it is starting right now. Leave a message in the chat. You have to join. You gotta use one of the commands. Oh, what happened there? Another redeemed? No. Oh, bomb run. Yeah, let's do the bomb run first, and then we can do the boss battle. So bomb run first. Let's see who's gonna go flying the most there. This is so funny, people, having all of you people hanging in here, just chilling, talking stuff, working on the game. Thank you, people. I appreciate your time and your attention. I'm gonna keep working on this. I'm gonna set up the boss battle, and I'm gonna go back into Crocotile to do some modeling, right? Yeah, so I gotta be productive. Thank you, people. I was just like a bit overwhelmed there, but I'm getting back to being productive. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so bomb run finished. Let's see the next thing. Boss battle. So I'm sending the command. Boss, you gotta send the join command with the choice of your class, right? There they are, the classes, and you can find them there. You can use them and decide which one you want to use to be part of the boss battle. Ava Sarah says, I am hanging in there, all right. Yeah, we're gonna leave you up there a bit until the boss battle starts. Polyphil says, where did my avatar go? It is there, dude. It is there. So just join, people. If you want to be part of the boss battle, hit the join command. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna show you like an example. I'm gonna send join, and also decide on your class. So yeah, like that. There it is. So I'm gonna keep working here while we have the boss battle. Who's gonna join the boss battle? Okay, who's gonna join? I'm gonna create a new scene. I'm gonna bring this new texture that I'm working on. I am trying to do, because I did this one, right? I'm gonna add some other assets here with Blockbench. I'm using Crocotile for the house. I did this one, and I'm now trying to make this one. Hey, that says time to fight. Yeah, let's see who joined. I joined, Polyphim joined, and anyone else joined. I told you, people, you had to send the join. command. That is how it works. There it is in chat. So Polyphene, just you and me, we're gonna fight against this hand. This motherfucking hand. Do you all remember this hand, people? I remember this hand from Nintendo 64, from Smash Bros. It has been in other games, right? But I remember it from those times. And this hand was a total asshole. Yeah. That hand was a total asshole, for sure. Okay, let's go into Pixel Basher so I can open up the texture that I'm working on. So I'm gonna leave you all there. Playing the, yeah, mostly the NPCs and me and Polyphene, because most of you didn't join the boss battle. So Polyphene, you gotta attack, dude. You gotta attack. Okay, let me open up this one. So this is the software that I use, people. This is called Pixel Basher. It's the software that I use for the textures for the buildings of my game. Yeah, sometimes I do it in other ways. Sometimes I use Pixel Basher, but for these houses, the ones that you're seeing here, I set it up first here in, yeah, here in Pixel Basher, then in Aseprite, and then finally I do the 3D modeling here in Crocotile. That is the vibe of what I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, here it is. Let me show you a bit of how I would do one of these houses. So I'm gonna have this one here. Oh, what happened? What happened? Wear a Pikachu hat and wiggle the ears by bit. Dude, you were sleeping. What are you doing here? You said that you were gonna sleep. Bit says, holy shit, 31 viewers, man. Yeah, we've got 31 viewers. This was redeemed by Bit. And Bit said that he was already sleeping, so thank you for coming back, dude. Yeah, we gotta wiggle the ears. That is the price of the redeeming of the points. Here's the says to Bit. It was over 70 when he was rated. Yeah, I got rated by 70 people, dude. Yeah, that was crazy, Bit. Polyphene says, nice pixel art to Bit. Calavero says, what's that hand? That hand is a boss, dude, from Smash Brothers. Yeah, and it's an asshole hand. That was a really bad boss. It really kicked your ass. Yeah, I remember it from Nintendo 64. So, Bit, thank you, dude, for redeeming the ears and the Pikachu hat. This is the vibe, people. We have fun, we're crazy, and I also try to be productive, right? So I'm gonna keep working on the textures. Bit, how did you end up coming back, dude? You were already sleeping or watching anime. So how did you end up coming back? That is so funny. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do this part of the house because I already have like this texture for the other part. So let me think about that one. How am I gonna approach this one? Okay, let me move this one a bit here and this one a bit here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the workflow. So Pixel Basher works in this way. We've got this palette on the right side of different kind of like pieces of pixel art. You can bring those pieces and make stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna delete this one. Let me see, like this. So which one would we use for that one? I think it would be this one. So check it out. We can bring these things and we can move them around. This is how Pixel Basher works. It says, read my earlier message. I had to share a game I saw on Steam. It's like Undertale, but pixel art is really good. The Backworld. Okay, let's check this one out. So this is my very good friend Bit people sharing their game. Oh, Abdi, I'm gonna get back to your game. Give me just a bit. I just got a bit lost there in the conversation. So this is the game that Bit is sharing right now in the chat. Yeah, dude, looks like Undertale, but this looks like Earthbound, dude. Yeah, this is like an Earthbound influence for sure. Looks really nice, dude. Looks really nice. It's coming the next year. Yeah, coming next year. So there it is, people, the Backworld. You can check it out on the link that was sent in chat by Bit. Polyphene says vampirism. Oh, the attacks. Yeah, you're in the boss battle. Unlike the other people that didn't join. Yeah, you gotta join, people. You gotta send the join command to join the boss battle. Who's gonna win this one? Let me check it out. That has taken way too long. Yeah, the NPCs suck in the battles. They really do suck. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait until that boss battles ends. So Bit, yeah, thank you, dude, for sharing the game. That's really, really cool, dude. I appreciate your time and coming in back. Catcher says on Twitch, I totally missed the join command. Yeah, you did. Polyphene says, me and the bots, basically. No, you cannot join anymore, people. It's at the beginning. People are sending the join command. You cannot join anymore. I'm very sorry, but you cannot join anymore. Those are the rules. If you want to be like part of some crazy boss battles on a live stream, people, go to Jitspo live streams. Jitspo has its own overlay made with Unreal Engine, and the boss battles and everything and the characters and everything, those are way more epic, way more epic than these ones, for fucking sure. So go and give Jitspo a follow if you want to have some good boss battles on Twitch. Okay, so let me do this one. This is gonna be like the front side. It's like yeah, it's like a window. Yeah, I'm gonna do this like a window, but I have to add like a door. So I'm thinking like for the door, I'm gonna go with this one, so it looks like, yeah, like traditional Japanese, right? Yeah, so this is the vibe. The game is set in a fictional Japan. Okay, so let me do this one. Okay, there it is. I've got the front side. Maybe I can add some other stuff. Let me see. Let me move forward all of this one. Bring to front. I'm gonna reduce the opacity. Okay, there it is. This is the front. This one I do not need because I already have that one. No, the windows are okay. Yeah, I think this is enough. So because I'm gonna edit some of the textures that I already have. So let me export this one. This is gonna be ref small house 03. Awesome. And let's go back into Aseprite. So I'm gonna, yeah, this one I'm gonna replace some of this stuff. Yeah, you're gonna see how this works, people. If you haven't used Crocotile before, you're gonna see how cool the workflow is. Okay, let me open up that texture. This one is ref small house 3. Yeah, I'm just gonna bring this piece. That is the only piece that I need for this one, because I already have set up the other ones. So let me bring this one here. Okay, there it is. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste this piece here. If you have any questions, if you're new here, let me know, please. Let me know. Open to answering any questions. You have any advice or anything, any feedback, just let me know. Okay, so let me move this one here and delete this one. And Joey, you still there, dude? Dude, I hadn't even ended talking to you because we got the raid and everything, and then we just got in the middle of the raid. So how are you, Joey? Thank you for being here, dude. Yeah, Jitspo, that is like the biggest raid I've ever had, people. Yeah, that's why I was anxious. Yeah, I've got other raids, but that was the biggest one. So shout out to Jitspo. That was really cool. Yeah, I'm very happy about it. I didn't expect to have this big raid on this random Tuesday. Yeah, this is the power of the internet, people. Yeah, you can spread the love, spread the good vibes and shit. Yeah, I very much love the internet. In many ways more than, yeah, than the place I live. Yeah, that's funny, but it's true. It's true. Oh, we won the boss battle. Congratulations, Polyphene. Congratulations to you, all the way to Colombia. Yo, where's Popcat? Popcat was talking in Spanish. Where are you, Popcat? You were very suspicious with your Spanish and your Latin American vibes and not saying where you're from. That's really interesting. Don't dox yourself. But yeah, I just wanted to know, what do you work on, Popcat? You were here yesterday, so I'm very sorry because I asked that again. Yeah, very sorry about that, Popcat. Yeah, I'm stupid. Polyphene says you deserve like 1,000,000 points. Yes, you do, dude. You really deserve like 1,000,000 points. Yeah, that is so funny, dude. That is really funny. Only you joined. I'm not able to be part of the battle, so the NPCs and you won. So the rise of the bots. Hey, Zev. The bots won, dude. The bots won. Yalmal says, lurking, running errands. Dude, thank you. Thank you for being here, for lurking. I hope that your errands go well, dude. bring something for us, like some beverages and shit. Yeah, please do bring something cool for us, like a box of Diet Cokes, right, Hayes? Yeah, a box of Diet Cokes would be really, really cool. Okay, I'm gonna export this one because I already have more than enough to do the other house. This one's gonna be small house 3. Yeah, I'm gonna replace this one, and let's go back into Crocotile so we can do the modeling. So I'm gonna replace this texture. This one's gonna be small house 3. There it is. HOM says, hey buddy, how you doing? Dude, how are you? We have a lot of people here today. I'm very happy about this. Dude, I am pumped. How about you? How has Unreal Engine been for you today? I hope that it hasn't crashed. It hasn't crashed for me in a while, so I'm very happy about Unreal Engine being nice to me. Heather says, hell yeah. Hell yeah, Janimal. Bring up a box of Diet Cokes for all of these cool people. Anthony says on Twitch, I'm working on the inventory first because it's easy for me. Oh, cool, dude. Dude, what were you working on before trying to make games? Like, what is your background? Are you a programmer, a designer, video editor? I was a graphic designer, people. I wasn't even a coder. So everybody has a different background in this game development stuff. Yeah, at the end of the day, I think it revolves around the fact of being a nerd, right? And trying to make the thing that you grew up with, playing games, right? So it really doesn't matter which background you have, because you can figure this shit out for sure. Anthony says, I was nothing. Dude, you're funny, but you were something. What were you? What did you work on before? I was playing games. Oh, only playing games, dude? I do not believe you. You weren't only playing games. HOM says on YouTube, no crashes yet. Laugh out loud. People talking about verse. What are we thinking? Oh, talking about verse, dude. Are you working on Fortnite? Are you making maps for Fortnite? Hey, Zev, have you tried making maps for Fortnite, dude? Has anyone else here in chat or watching on Twitch or on YouTube or somewhere, have you worked making maps for Fortnite using the verse language? Okay, this one's gonna be 8. Okay, let's do the first window. Yeah, then I'm gonna do the ceiling. Let me do the windows first. So this window, yeah, these ones look cool. They do look cool. So what would be the side of the window? Could it be this one? Yeah, this one works. Awesome. Seraxi says, no, you haven't done. Hazel says, I considered it, but wasn't interested enough to pursue. Yeah, dude, I understand. I have seen people making money there. I have also been interested. I haven't sat down like that much. I have like sat down to make some experiments and stuff, but I haven't sat down to learn it like in a deep way. But I have seen people making good money there and really interesting games that don't even look like Fortnite. Yeah, so there's this system, people, called Unreal Engine for Fortnite. Also called Unreal Fortnite Creative, something like that. Yeah, Serexi says, me too. Yeah, I have considered it. Isef says, I'm waiting for Verse to officially come to Unreal Native. Oh, they said, I thought, oh, that's crazy, dude. I didn't know they were gonna bring Verse into Unreal Engine, like the normal Unreal Engine. Echan says it should be with Unreal Engine 6 new graph as well. Shit, dude, that's interesting. I didn't know this. Hezef says, I believe there's around 5 people in the world that make over $1 million every month from it. Okay, so not many people, right? Yeah, not many people. It must, I think it must be easier to make more money in Roblox. I have seen random people making good money in Roblox, people. I know that many of you may not like Roblox. Roblox may get its hate, but people can make money there. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I have no hate for Roblox. I use Roblox Studio. I had a lot of fun when I used Roblox Studio, when I played Roblox games. So to each their own. And we have a good friend here called the Memory Monkey, who has been very successful with Roblox. Yeah, so Hezef says, Polyphil says, I'm a go. Try not to go to sleep that late. Take care, everybody, my dude. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate your time, your attention. And yeah, let's keep talking. Keep this music thing going, dude. I was watching you on Instagram. It's looking really cool. I'm excited about what you're gonna build. Thank you, my dude. Thank you for coming. Polyphony says, loving those houses. Thank you, dude. I'm also having fun coming back to Crocotile on the live streams. I had been missing it. Hazev says on Twitch, yes, they're currently reprogramming all of Fortnite with Verse. It's coming hopefully soon. Maybe in Unreal Engine 6, like HOM said. Yeah, dude, I didn't know about this. Not at all. Hazev says a lot of people make great money from UEFN. What I said is that there's less than 5 people in the world that make millions. Okay, that's insane. Millions a month of revenue, but there's hundreds if not thousands of people that make thousands. Yeah, dude, that's why I have felt compelled about learning it, but I better finish this game. If not, I would just be like telling myself that I'm being productive, learning something new just to not finish this game. So I gotta finish this one and then I can go and learn new stuff. But yeah, if there would be someone, dude, hey Steph, this could be something that you could live stream, dude, yourself trying this system, this new system, learning it and showing it how you learn it and stuff, and making new things with this one. Ketchu says on Twitch, are you telling me they're making a new programming language that is probably gonna replace Blueprints? No. KSF says, laughing my ass off, no, it's not. They are not gonna replace Blueprints, because Verse is still written, dude. They're different things. Yeah, they won't replace Blueprints. Yeah, not at all. Yeah, they are different things. It would be like the middle ground between C++ and Blueprints, right? Verse. That's what I'm thinking. Catch says, thank God. Yeah, dude, thank God. If not, people like me would be... I would be fucked, dude. For sure. If they got rid of Blueprints, I would be totally fucked. I do not know C++ and stuff. So I'm thinking that Verse is gonna be the middle ground between C++ and Blueprints. Something like that. Like a written scripting language. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Catches. Hazel says in anything Verse replaces, it would be C++. Yeah. It's like the middle ground between Blueprints and C++. Something like Verse. But I wouldn't think also that it would replace C++ either. It would be just like another new feature of the engine, not replacing anything. Okay, so yeah, there it is, the house. It's starting to look decent. Oh, yes, this is too wide. I made it too wide. So let me move these windows to the front. Yeah, because I have to fix this geometry. Yeah, gotta fix this geometry. Seraxi says, me too. Yeah, we would all be fucked if they got rid of Blueprints. Ketchu says, my coding is so mediocre. I know some C#, but I don't know C++. Welcome to the club, dude. My coding is so mediocre, and I know some C#, but I don't know C++ for Unreal Engine. I know C# because I used it in Unity. HM says on YouTube, I think it's going to merge with C++ as a new graph pushing the Blueprints adding Verse. Maybe, dude. I wouldn't even know how this is gonna work. And Unreal Engine 6 is not that close in the horizon. It is close, but not that close. Hazef says, I think Verse will be easy to pick up. Maybe in the vein of Python, but Unreal Edition of Python. Maybe. Yes, exactly, Haze. That's what I'm thinking. It would be like a Python for Unreal Engine. That is the best way of describing it. Totally. Verse, it's like... Because C++ is so difficult, people. If you're a coder, you may say like, what are these people talking about? They suck at coding. C++ isn't hard. It is hard. Yeah. Yeah, it is hard. So, yeah, something like Verse would make a lot of sense for many people that want to use written code and make some systems that would be easier for them in written code than on Blueprints. I think that you can do anything you want in Blueprints. I really can't see any limitations, but maybe there are some people that want to write code. It's better for them. They understand it in a better way than in a visual way. Some people are like that. Their brains work like that. HOM sending the emojis. Making games is hard. It is, dude. It is. Hatev says, I think they're making Verse like HOM is saying, so we can do things combined with Blueprints easily. Yeah, dude. Like the middle ground. That's what I was saying. The middle ground between C++ and Blueprints. For sure. HOM sending, I'm hard. You're hard what, dude? Like, it's hard for you game development? Because I cannot see the YouTube emojis, dude. YouTube has to fix that stuff. with the implementations. HDev says, "You're what, HOM?" I was also like, "You're what, dude?" But I wanted to like flip it to not get into that conversation. But yeah, you are what, HOM? Catchy says on Twitch, Blueprints can't do real loading screens, like loading assets. I've not seen a tutorial with true loading screen with Blueprints. Everyone says to just use C++ for that. Huh, interesting. Hey Zeb, could you answer to Cassius 13? You would be like the best person to answer this thing about loading. Yeah, Cassius, have you used C++ with loading? HOM says, laugh out loud. Yeah, dude. What the fuck was that? HOM. I was like, oh, dude, why did I read this message? This always happens to me, people. I'm reading messages that I shouldn't read. There are some messages that I should read, but I just go like automatic, like a robot. Just read what I have in front of me. So, yeah, Ketchu says, oh my god, if you have one, please link it. To Hazev, yeah, I've got the perfect tutorial for you. You've done real loading screens easily. Yeah, dude, I knew it. I knew it that if there was someone that could answer to you, catches it was Hazev. Because Hazev does a lot of very complex stuff with Blueprints. He always tells me, I don't need C++ for what I'm doing. So, yeah, I've seen very complex game made only with Blueprints, people. Yeah, it is that powerful. I know that many coders may not accept that truth, but it is one of the truths of Unreal Engine. You have to be doing like very, very complex and very customized stuff to not being able to make some of the ideas that you have in your mind with Blueprints. Yeah, for sure. Okay, check it out. We've got the new house already. Let's add the other details. So this is the reference. Yeah, cool stuff. Let's do the front. Yeah, let's do the front, like this part. And we've got another window up there, but it could be too tall. So I'm thinking it could be too tall. So I'm not gonna make the house that tall. Let me go and see it in Unreal Engine just to see how the whole height of the house looks. So let me export the whole scene. This one's gonna be Small Town House 3. Okay, I'm getting back to chatting a bit, people. Give me just a sec. This one's gonna be Small Town House. Small Town. No, Small House 3. Yeah. This one's gonna be Small House 3. Let's export it. And this one's gonna be OBJ3. Okay, awesome. Let's go and see the height. I'm gonna be going back and forth just to get the height right. Ava Zara says, God is good. Be safe. Have night. So, oh, Jitspo's leaving? Let me read the comment. So, where's the comment? I'm very sorry if I didn't read that one. Jitspo said bye. I didn't get that one. Yeah. God is good. Be safe. Night. Oh, so you're saying night to Jitspo. Okay, thank you, Eva Sara. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, you're saying bye to Jitspo. Yeah, thank you. Eva Sara says not sure if he's leaving. I simply can't afford my heart if he were to leave. Okay, Eva Sara, thank you for coming in. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you following. Your vibes were good. Very. You made me pumped. I didn't understand one of the messages that you sent about the spoilers, but everything else made me pumped. Thank you for coming in, Eva Sara. Sorry that I didn't understand the thing about the spoilers. Yeah, maybe there were too many messages at that point. Genki Dev says, mate, how are you always cooking in Crocotile? Looks dope. Thank you, my dude. Yeah, this is the vibe, dude. Yeah, I'm just trying new ideas. I've got a new house, dude. I'm gonna add some new stuff there in the front of the house. How are you, Genki Dev? Also, fellow game dev. So, oh, Hezev sending the tutorial. Good shit, dude. Thank you, dude. Thank you for sending it. There's the video. Enjoy to catch us. Uses level streaming. Does that mean that all levels will be loaded constantly? Yeah, level streaming is literally the definition of the exact opposite. Yeah, it is like for optimizing this. Hastef says you wouldn't need to stream a level if everything was loaded. Yeah, check it out, Catches. It may work for you. HM says yes, just make a massive multiplayer RPG. My advice for every beginner. Yes, do not take that advice, people, from HOM. That is not a good advice, dude. Why are you trying to make the beginner game developers fail, dude? Oh my god. Could you imagine trying to make an MMORPG for your first game? HOM. What are you talking about? Yeah, Genki Dev says Hayes knows his stuff. Guy's the best. He knows his stuff, dude. That's why I sent this question from Catches to Hayes Dev. Yeah, I knew it. Avasar says I love Jitspo. Yeah. But why? Because I have my couch in front of my apartment. Okay, I don't understand that one, Avasar. Yeah, but thank you for coming in. I appreciate your time. Hayes Dev. Avasara is leaving. Say goodbye, because you were chilling there with Avasara. Yeah, say goodbye. Yeah, so we're talking about the persistence in levels and stuff. Yeah, right. Catcher says no thanks. MMO for a first game sounds like hell. You wouldn't be able to finish it. That is just a reality. You'd have to be crazy and work on the game for like 10 years or 12 years to make a. Or you could do it. No, it's not impossible. It's not impossible. I never say that something is impossible, but I think that you could do it, but you would give up before finishing it as a beginner game dev, because you would need so much resilience, dude, and knowledge that as a beginner game dev you would definitely not have it, dude. It's not about skill. You could get the skill to make it, right? I think it's the mental part that would be hard to make as first game as a beginner. MMORPG for sure. HOM laughing. Avasar says no. I was saying I love Jitspo because he looks like the face of Christ. Oh, he does in a way. He does in a way. Jitspo, did you hear that one? Yeah, he does in a way. Yeah, I understand what you're saying, Avasara. Yeah, thank you for coming in. Hey Zev, sending the cool emojis to Catches. Hey Zev says, guys, triple struggles to make an MMO. Do not even fucking try, please, for your own sanity. Yes, do not even try that for your own sanity. Please. That would be, oh, could you imagine trying an MMO as your first video game? Yeah, just on the mental part, it would be way too much. Yeah, it's not even about the knowledge or the skill. It would be the mental part. Abdi says, you know this game that you're making, the cell kind of reminds me of Octopath Traveler. Yes, dude. Yes, I am very happy that you say that, because Octopath Traveler is one of the main influences visually of this game. Maybe not in some of the mechanics. Yeah, maybe in some of the mechanics, not in other ones. But graphic-wise, dude, yes. Octopath Traveler was the main influence for me on deciding the look of the camera and stuff, HD2D. Yeah, so yeah, I'm very happy that you saw that, Abdi. I'm gonna share your game in a bit. Give me just a sec. Seraxis says, it's not impossible, but it's gonna be a headache. It would be a headache. Avasar says, Jispo, it's the best game dev I know. Yeah, Jispo is a good game dev, Avasara, for sure. He knows his stuff. Ketchu says, I'll stick to my horror games for now. Then I'll end up doing a platformer. Yeah, dude. Yeah, so what kind of horror game are you making? Ketchu says, what is this Aver person talking about? Okay, have a good night. Have a good night. Avasara says, goodness, I need to leave. Love you guys. I'm a little bit insane. We're all a little bit insane. Avasara, have a good night. Ketchu says, a little... I think that we can all be a bit crazy in different ways, right? You know that I can be a bit crazy in very, very different ways, right? So to each their own. Have a good night, Avasara. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for sending good messages, spreading the love. I appreciate your time. Sending cool emojis, Avasara. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. HOM says, make an MMORPG at your first game. You learn everything about programming, but you make no games. That's why they fail, because of high expectations, and then they stop and they shoot. Yeah, dude. Janimal says, go make Pac-Man first. Yeah, that is a good idea. This is some good advice. If you haven't made a game before, you want to make a game, you want to make your first game, make a Pac-Man. That is a good idea from Janimal, for sure. Good advice, dude. Abdi says on YouTube, the only hard part is the coding. I mean, everything is okay, but the coding is a bit difficult and tricky if you made one wrong word while coding. For example, I'm trying to make an online game where people can play from everywhere. Oh, that's tricky, dude. That's tricky. Eva Sara says to NerdyPunkDev, I like your positive attitude, this respect to you. Eva Sara, thank you for saying that. I appreciate your words. You're very, very kind. Have a good night, my friend. Thank you. Thank you. Animal says, has anyone looked at 5.5 hierarchical 3-state thing? I haven't, dude. Haven't used 5.5 on Real Engine 5.5 yet. I'm still on 5.3.4. Yeah. Okay, let me just set up the ceiling, people, so I can keep reading some comments. The vibes are good today, people. Thank you for coming in, having conversations, sending comments and everything. I love this. I appreciate this a lot. So yeah, keep it coming. I'm gonna get back to the chat in a bit. I just want to set up this ceiling. Give me just a sec. Yeah, I'm just gonna set it up. I'm gonna close it. Yeah, up here and here. This one. Gonna move these edges. This one and this one, so we can bring this one into Unreal Engine and we can do some props. I'm thinking about some props in Blockbench today, just for the sake of using both softwares. That would be a lot of fun. Okay, let me set up the ceiling here. We're not gonna be able to see this, to see this one. Yeah, I'm just closing the model just for the sake of closing it, but because of the camera, we're not gonna be able to see the top of this. Okay, so let me check out this one. Okay, there it is. Awesome. So let me read comments. Gentleman says, yeah, I read that one. Catcher says, we talked about it a while back. It's called Nightmare Visions. Right now, been working in chapter 2. Oh yeah, we talked about it a while back. You're right. It's on Steam for $2.99. I feel that price will be good for it. The first chapter is free to play. Awesome, dude. Awesome. Abdi says, but you know the script coding and you know, yeah, the networking in games, it's hard, Abdi. Yeah, I have seen that. It can be a headache for, it has been a headache for many people. So I hope everything goes well for your kind of project of having a game where people can join from all over the world. Are you gonna like be managing the servers? How is this gonna work? Are you gonna do it through Steam? Yeah, how are you gonna make it work, Abdi? Okay, let me set this one up. Okay, there it is. Awesome. Is this like snapped there? Yeah, it isn't snapped. I think it's snapped now. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so let's do the front. Yeah, let's go into Pixel Basher to bring like this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the thing that I want to do now. I want to do this like tarp. Maybe that's the word. Yeah, like a tarp. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and do that one. HazeDev says the first thing you should be doing in game dev is whatever gets you using the engine every single day, because that's the only way you'll learn. Yeah, you gotta love it. You gotta love the process. If you don't love the process of what you're doing, you're gonna get lost throughout the way. You're gonna get frustrated, so you gotta really love and be passionate about the kind of game that you're doing, because if not, you're just gonna give up. Yeah, for sure. HazeDev says, I've seen it and it looks interesting, but you will not be using it 5.5 until it's stable. Yeah, like around 5.8, right? That's when 5.5 will be stable, I'm thinking. Yeah, for sure. HazeDev. Yeah, so Eva Sara says, I said too much, I gotta go. Have a good night, my friend. Thank you for coming in. Thank you. Yeah, I was a bit lost there on the conversation, Eva Sara, because we were talking about game engines and game development. So very sorry that I didn't read all of the comments that you sent. But have a good night. Thank you for coming in. Hey Sev, yeah, I read that one. HOM, laugh out loud. Eva Sara, no worries. Thank you. Yeah, because it's hard for me, Eva Sara, to keep up with many topics. So we were talking there about game dev engines and game development, and yeah, it's hard for me to be reading about other topics. So sorry about that. So I hope you have a good night's sleep or a good morning wherever you are. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to do the tarp now, right? Let me try that one. I may have it. Yeah, I like this. Do we have something like that here in Pixel Basher? Maybe. Maybe yes, maybe not. Let me try this. Joe Tori, you're still there, dude? Bit, did you go? People, where are you? I missed you. I missed you on all of these minutes where we were having all of these cool conversations. Okay, so it seems like I wouldn't be able to have something like that, but maybe I can use like a replacement for that. So let me find something that replaces it. Popcat says, how's life? Oh, there you are, Popcat. ¿Qué tal todo? ¿En qué estás trabajando? Calaveros is working. Yeah, you're working today, dude? And which one? SketchUp, D5, Render, which of both? Yeah, let me see which one we could use like for this part of the front. So to Popcat, I said in Spanish, like, what are you working on? Because Popcat is also from Latin America, like me. Calaveros says both. Oh, you're using both SketchUp and D5 Render. Seraxi says still sculpting. Fuck yeah, dude. HM says, oh my god, I just forgot to save. Thanks, Nerdy. Yes, dude. Save often, people. Save early and save often. In Unreal Engine or any other engine. For sure. Popcat says, I was playing G Darius, laughing my ass off. Sorry. Did you enjoy it? Calavera says both. Yeah, I read that one. Genki Dev, I've been using 5.5 on Mac and haven't had any issues yet. That's cool, dude. I saw that 5.5 was better in Mac. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, so they're getting better in some ways. They gotta fix the thing in other ways, but I've seen that the engine has been getting more stable for Mac, for sure. So that's good, dude. That's good, because like last year I wasn't even able to install it on Mac because I have a small hard drive in my Mac. It's like this Mac Mini is like the most basic ones. So I wanted to install it on an external hard drive and I couldn't. It seems like they fixed it. Janimal told me that they fixed it. So yeah, that's cool. That's cool that they fixed it. Now we can use Unreal Engine on an external hard drive on Mac. Ketchup says, yeah, but it is Mac. Yeah, I haven't tried it at 5.5, but I will try it on Mac. Hezef says, I don't use 5.5 because when I add a socket to a skeleton and it crashes the editor, then needs to recompile every fucking shader in the entire project. Yeah, no thanks. I'm happy for people that are having no issues with it, but I've had no luck. Yeah, dude, I have seen that it's not stable in many ways. I wouldn't go and update on Spaceman Memories to 5.5. Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm safe right now with 5.3. It is stable. I would just try 5.5 for other project. Yeah, or until it is stable. But I have seen that it is still not there. Yeah, so yeah, this wasn't too bad of an idea. Yeah, I'm gonna change the colors and we're gonna set it up there. Okay, so maybe this one I gotta extend it a bit. Oh, what's happening? I cannot extend that one. Yeah, that one's buggy. Okay, so this one. Okay, I'm gonna read comments in a bit, people. Give me just a sec so I can read your comments. Okay, yeah. There it is. I'm just gonna change the color now of this one. Okay, so let me find... Where is this panel? Oh shit, I've got a lot of panels here. Okay, I'm just gonna move this one. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna make this one orange. There it is, that orange. And let's make this one orange also. Okay, brightness, bump up the brightness. There it is, check it out. So this is gonna be like the tarp. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, let me read comments so then I do not get lost in the conversation. So Genki Dev says, Mac has been great. I use both PC and Mac and it does everything I did. Cool, dude. Cool, dude. Because it wasn't great in the past. In Mac. Not at all. I couldn't install it on an external hard drive. And it's like essential, right? Because many Macs have small hard drives. So that was an essential feature. Janimal told me that it's working right now, so I have yet to try it. Yeah, I have yet to try it. Okay, maybe too bright. Let me find that orange. Okay, there it is. So there it is. That's the tarp. Maybe it goes a bit out. Yeah, just a little bit. Let me add a texture, like to add some imperfections on top of it, right? Yeah, like this. And I'm gonna reduce the opacity, and there it is. That's the tarp. Let's go and export this one. Okay, so let me read comments. Ketcher says, I'm just not really happy with Apple as a company overall, so I'm pretty biased. Yeah, I'm not happy with Apple also. Popcat says, I'll just be lurking. Thank you, Popcat. Thank you. Gracias por estar ahí lurking. Don't know where you're from Latin America, but I'm happy to have other Latin Americans here. I appreciate it. Genki Dev says, yeah, look, all big companies aren't great. I've had better experience using macOS than Windows. It runs better than my PC with an RTX 3080 Ti. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it's interesting, dude. Everybody has a different experience with this OS, with these computers and shit. Anthony says, how do I join the Discord? Thank you for asking, my dude. I'm sending the link right now for anyone that wants to join the NerdyPunkDev Discord server. The vibes are for you, all of you people creators, to show your stuff. If you're not a creator, at least you can get inspired to someday start creating stuff. So feel free to share your work on the Discord. This is the NerdyPunkDev Discord server. People, thank you for asking, my friend Anthony. There it is. Feel free to join, people, and feel free to share your work. Hezdev says, I think Mac is great for people that don't want very much from your computer. Windows or Linux excels to fulfill the needs of users that want to do literally anything on their computer, which is my personal needs. Yeah, dude. In a way, yes, I understand what you're saying. That's why I use Windows. But I would say that if I was doing web development, dude, I have seen that things just work better in Mac. Like for many things, like software engineering, they work better. Like for game development, for sure, dude. I can install more crazy shit in Windows. I have more freedom and shit. The ecosystem is way more open, right? So it's got its pros and its cons, both. I have both, and I love some things about Mac. I hate some things about Mac, and also the same thing about Windows. I like what you said, exactly what you said about Windows. Yeah, it helped me fulfill the needs of that. I want to do literally anything with it. I can try to install things in many different ways. I can install non-authorized shit. Like in Mac, you have to like go and deactivate some stuff just to install some software that isn't authorized. So yeah, different things. Genki Dev says, NerdyPunk, do you want to play a test build of Genki on your Mac Mini? I could, dude. If you send me the link, I could test it and let you know how it's running. I have an M2 Mac Mini with a 16 gigabytes RAM. So yeah, let me know, dude, if you want me to test it to give you some feedback about how it's running. I still have to set it up, like my Unreal Engine and Spaceman Memories, to make some builds from Mac. Yeah, so for me, Windows, yeah, works better. Yeah, but to each their own, right? To each their own. His Jeff says, Nerd is the GOAT. He tested on his Steam Deck for one of my projects. Yeah, I tested Life of Mouse on the Steam Deck. So if anyone is working on games, you do not have a Steam Deck or you do not have a Mac, you want me to test it, just send it over to Discord and I will test any of your games. Yeah, I know that, yeah, it's hard, right, to get everything. I wouldn't be able to have many of the things that I have now, like a Steam Deck or a Mac, when I was younger. Yeah, when I was younger, I really wanted to have many of the things that I have, but it takes a couple years, right, to buy your own stuff and shit. So if you need any help regarding any of that, just let me know. Genki Dev says, Haze and Nerdy are what? Yeah, HOM, where are you, dude? Oh, GOAT. Yeah, oh, yeah, it hadn't loaded, the emoji. I hadn't seen it. Thank you, my dude, Genki Dev. Thank you for your kind words, dude. You are very kind. Yeah, appreciate it, dude. So send it over, dude. I'll test it. Okay, so this one's gonna be Ref Small House 3. Yeah, let's go into Aseprite. So we can do the tarp. We can do the tarp. So Ref Small 3, it's this one. And I'm just gonna grab this and like we can bring it. Oh, check it out. It's gonna look cool. I gotta clean some stuff here, but it's gonna look cool. I can already see it looking cool. Okay, so this one. Yeah, so people, if you're a game dev and you're trying to see how your game works on Mac or you're using Mac and you want to see how it works on Windows or on Steam Deck, send it over a build, and I can record a video for you like I did for Haze. Yeah, happy to help in anything. If you want to join the Discord, there it is. Okay, coffee stream, but auto message. We're up to 2 hours already. Fuck yes, this has been a good stream. The vibes have been immaculate, people. Yeah, I'm loving the conversations today. Thank you, people, for coming in. I appreciate your attention and for the new follows and stuff. Yeah, it's never easy. It's never easy, right, to come every day, being consistent. That's what we were talking with Haze Dev earlier about being a streamer and stuff. One sometimes overthinks the process, right? Like last year for me, it was total overthinking. Joe Toro says immaculate vibes. Yes, dude. Thanks to you, thanks to Jitspo, thanks to everyone else. Yeah, dude. 2 raids, dude. Shit. I'm overwhelmed with emotion. I'm not lying there, dude. Yeah, I'm overwhelmed. Yankee Dev says, do you have a controller? I've been building the game for a controller mostly. Yeah, dude. I use this one. Let me show you. I have a Xbox Series X controller. This is the one that I'm using. So yeah, I'm optimizing my game for controllers and also for keyboards. So that's why I have both. So yeah, send it over, dude. I can test it. So Joey, thank you for your support, dude. It's amazing, dude. It's really, really cool. So I met Jitspo because of you, Joey. Yeah, how crazy it is life, right? The internet and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dude, makes me think in a deep way. Yeah, the power of the internet and stuff, dude. Because last year, that's what I was trying to tell, right? Like, being a streamer isn't easy, people. Last year, I tried this. I tried to do this, and I couldn't. Yeah, like, seems like things like the pieces have to fit in your life in many ways to be consistent on this streaming stuff, because it's not hard. There are days in which you really don't want to do it. You are tired, you have no motivation, but that's the thing, doing it even on the days that you do not want to do it, and it gives you results. Yeah, so if you want to do it, don't overthink it. Just do it. Figure it out throughout the way. I wasn't an expert. I didn't even know what rates were. I didn't even know what bits were, how subscription works on Twitch, how OBS worked, how overlays worked. I didn't know many things. I just figured them out throughout the way. Joe Toro says the world is yours. The world is ours, dude. Yeah, I would say the world is ours. It is at the, yeah, you can just grab it on the internet, dude. Yeah, it's crazy, dude. It's crazy how you can just extend your hand and reach to the world, Joey. Yeah, deep shit, dude. That's some deep shit, but it is the truth, dude. And I can say it because I am not in the... Oh, I saved that one as the incorrect one. Okay, I'm gonna export this one. Yeah, I replaced that one for the wrong, but I have a backup of that one, so I'm not gonna worry. So let me go here. Yeah, Joe, so yeah, you can be anywhere. I keep telling that, like on my Instagram, I keep telling it, like, people, you can be everywhere and you can do whatever the fuck you want. If you want to make games, you want to build a community, you can do it. If you want to yeah, get into a game festival, get into a game showcase, you can do it wherever you are. You can just do things. That is a very simple phrase. It seems very, very stupid, but you can literally just do things. Like literally, dude. Yeah, wherever you are. I have seen that in my life for sure, dude. Okay, we're gonna do this one here. We're gonna do this one here. So this is gonna be the tarp. This is already there, so we can start making some cool assets inside Blockbench, right? Yeah, so there it is, the tarp. Awesome. But yes, so let me check out the reference to see. Oh, interesting. Yeah, the tarp is like, there's like a ladder there that keeps it hanging there. But yeah, I'm gonna do it in different ways, so I'm just gonna have like some columns there. So let me move this one and this one and this one. Yeah, so it looks like the tarp. Yeah, there it is. Awesome. Gonna move them here. Maybe that's too low. Let me check it out. Let's check it out on the game. We're gonna be going back and forth, polishing this model. Okay, let's export this one. This one's gonna be small house 3, right? Yeah, that was the name. Yeah, small house 3. And same thing. Okay, awesome. So let's go into Unreal Engine. I want to see the height related to like the Spacemans. Okay, let me delete this one. Let's go here. Browse to asset. HM says the house looks great. Thank you, my dude. Yeah, we've got 3 now. Yeah, 3 days and 3 houses. So the live streams have been productive. I really wanted to come back to Crocotile, dude. It has been a while in the live streams that I worked in Crocotile, and maybe people were thinking that I had lost my love for it because I'm working now with Blockbench also. But I haven't lost my love for Crocotile, dude. I still love it. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so let's do a new folder. This one's gonna be small house 3. HOM, dude, what was up with that message that you sent earlier? You remember that one, Hayes? You remember what HOM said earlier? That was very unexpected, dude. What were you trying to say? I didn't understand what you were referring to. You know which one, right? Yeah, you know which one. Okay, let's create a material. This one's gonna be matte small house 03. Hayes them laughing. Yeah, you know which one, right, Hayes? I was like, the fuck. That was so funny, dude. And I read it and I was then like 2 seconds after I read it on my head, I was like, dude, why did you read that one? Yeah, that was crazy. That was really crazy. This one's gonna be small house 3. Yeah, I'm gonna do the columns now for the tarp and stuff. Yeah, I just want to see the height of this. So this is my testing map, people. I just bring things here just to test them, just for the sake of having a space to test new models and stuff. So let's go and see the height. Yeah, seems like what's happening here. Yeah, that is a collider, right? But even with the other collider, it shouldn't be having a collider there. So let me check out here. So let me check that out. HOM says HOM. You said gaming is hard, so I was just answering back. Yeah, dude. And I was like, the fuck did you just say, dude? Okay. Dude. Is this collider there on the house? Or is it somewhere else? Yeah, now I'm unsure like what's happening there. But yeah, the height seems to be okay. That seems like the right height. So I'm just gonna go and polish it. Okay, yeah. No, oh yeah. What's there? Oh yeah. Yeah, check it out. I forgot about this one. Because this is my disorganized map. There is an invisible Tory here. Check it out. There's the shadow. Yeah. That's so funny. I was like, what is happening there? Yeah, that is an invisible Tory. Yeah, there is the shadow. So yeah, this is a disorganized map, people. I just use it to test stuff. Okay. Yeah, seems like that. No, that is not the right height because I cannot see the door. So I am gonna move it a bit back up so we can see a bit of the door. Maybe move it a bit to the back. Abdi says that does look good. Thank you, my dude. Thank you for saying that. Yo, Abdi, I'm gonna show your game. You told me you added the images in GameJolt and the video. Are they in GameJolt or on the Discord? Which of both? Please let me know so we can see your game. Yeah, I had forgotten about it. So yeah, thank you for coming in back and reminding me. Yeah, so this one, yeah, this one's better. Yeah, let's export it again. I want to see a bit of the door and the window. So it was covering it way too much. So this one's gonna be small house 3. Let's export it again. Small house 3. There it is. And let's go back into Unreal Engine. HM says a little low plus it's a bit bigger. Are you talking about the house, dude? Maybe I didn't understand you, the comment. A little roll plus that it's a bit bigger. Yeah, let me know. Looks better now. Yeah, yeah, need to be up. Oh yeah, I understand you. Yeah, I needed to see a bit of the door. Right, yeah. It was getting lost there, the door and the window. So yeah, better. Let's try it again. So yes, Abdi, let me know, please. Let me know if you posted the videos and the images of your game on the Game Yolt link. Oh yeah, check it out. This is the one. Yeah, the door looks fine. I can see the door. The height is great. I can see the window. So now we just need to add like a column there. Yeah, so the tarp is not like literally floating, right? Yeah, this was a good idea. Yeah, so thank you, HM. That is some good feedback, my dude. So the column, we're just gonna make it like this in a very simple, random way. Okay. That's too high. HM says, can you make interior also or just exterior? We've got interiors, dude. Let me show you some of the ones that I made on the previous live streams. I haven't worked that much on them because I didn't like the ones that I made last year and I just deleted them. They look like shit. I'm not gonna lie. So let me show you a bit of most of the interiors, dude. I have made them in Blockbench. Yeah, so these are Blockbench models, dude. Yes, they are. So yeah, each of these ones, except these vending machines, these ones are made in Crocotile. Yeah, dude. Yeah, so yeah, these are interiors. Let me show you the other ones. Yeah, we've got those smaller assets. Yeah, so both. Yeah, we're gonna have interiors on the game. Let me show you the escape pod. This is like the starting point of the game. Yeah, we land back on Earth from the mission as the spaceman, and we are here. This is the starting point. Yeah, so we've got them. HM says, beautiful. Thank you, my dude. I appreciate you saying that. Thank you, thank you. So yeah, dude, it's good, dude, that I figure out how to use Blockbench because many of these assets would have been very hard for me. I could have made them, dude, totally. Could have made them in Crocotile, but it would have taken me way more time. So for smaller stuff, Blockbench, prop stuff, Blockbench, interiors, Blockbench. For houses, because of how the textures work, totally Crocotile, dude. So to each their own. Yeah, I have love for both of them. Yeah, maybe some of you were thinking that, oh, he doesn't love Crocotile anymore. He's cheating on Crocotile. I did cheat on Crocotile a couple weeks with Blockbench, right? But Barak is here lurking. Thank you for coming in to lurk, Barak. Hope you're having a good day, my dude. Yeah, we were talking earlier about your story about working in Limbo and stuff. Yeah, people were excited about story, Barak. So thank you, my dude, for coming in. Appreciate your time. I'm still working on some houses. We've got a lot of people today because we got a big raid. We've got 2 raids. Yeah, we've got 2 raids, so it's cool. Saraxi says, cool shed, nerdy. Thank you, my dude. Appreciate you saying that. Yeah, they're just trying to have fun. This is the dream, people. This is the dream. Making games, making friends on the internet. Yeah, this is totally the dreams. Barak says, cool. Yeah, dude. People were excited about... I think some people can be more excited about you working on Limbo than working on Mojang, dude. It's crazy, yeah. Yeah, so... there's a big fandom of Limbo, dude. So yeah, thank you for coming back, Barak. Hazef says, I'm just having fun messing with easy multisave. Amazed by how easy it is. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Dude, by the way, what about the other asset that you told me the other time? I found it on the Fab marketplace. The one that had a light version, but the one that was like $300. I found the light version. I got it, but I haven't used it. How is the light version? Barak says, I was pretty excited too. Yeah, dude. Yeah, HM says, I want to try to make a windmill on it. On Crocotile, dude, or Blockbench? Which of both? Barak says, the houses look good. Thank you, my dude. Yeah, let me show you. Let me show you the houses here in Unreal Engine. I'm liking the aesthetics. They look Japanese. So that's cool. Sometimes I do not get that aesthetic. I have to like try it several times until I get it. So I'm happy that these ones are looking Japanese. So we've got this one, right, with the plants in the balcony there. This one, which is really cool, has a porch. And we've got this new one with the tarp. And they look Japanese, so that's really, really cool. I'm very happy about it. So thank you, Barak, for saying that. Appreciate it. SF says Logic Driver Pro. Yes, that one. You'll be using it for Seagull's out tattoo, but haven't used it a lot since you found it. Yeah, you told me it was really cool, dude. I saw it's really powerful. I'm also thinking about using it. I'm afraid to break some things, so I may just try it first on an alternative project. Yeah, Barak says pretty nice stuff. I'll be lurking. Thank you, my dude. Thank you for your support coming in. I hope you have a great day. Yeah, thank you for lurking, dude. Okay, so let's go back into making the columns of the tarp. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, so this one, something very simple, nothing fancy, right? Yeah, I'm gonna move all of these ones a bit to the inside, right? So they're like sustaining the tarp from a bit to the inside. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, hey Steph, yeah, I was looking for I'm looking forward to trying that Logic Driver Pro. I was a bit busy on that Tokyo stuff, but now I'm getting back. I'm getting back to being my normal self, learning stuff, trying new stuff. I wasn't doing that for a couple weeks, and I really wanted to come back and do that. Okay, awesome. Okay, that's the thing that I was looking for. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this one and I'm gonna duplicate it to the other side. Oh, shit. Yeah, that was unexpected. Okay, getting back to chat. GenkiDev says, I was testing Logic Driver Pro for dialogue. Very easy to use. Yeah, dude, you told me also. You got it. So GenkiDev got the full paid version. Hey, Dev. Yeah, Genki is the Richie Rich of the community. Because you got the cool one, dude. Congratulations. Dev says, I think you'll enjoy it, dude. I know I'll love using it down the line when I need it. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I was seeing it and I know that I'm gonna enjoy it. HM says probably both. I want to learn them. Yes, dude. Learn both Crocotile and Blockbench. They are both amazing pieces of software, dude. I really like them. Yeah, I have nothing but love for both Blockbench and Crocotile. Yeah, so this kind of stuff, it would be... I could do it also in Blockbench, dude. Like I was saying, I could do many things in Crocotile that I could do in Blockbench and vice versa, but yeah, I know which things work better for me. So I try to be smart about it, about saving time. Hazef says I have the full version too. I saw that emoji, dude. Genki says I'm not rich. I just work hard and believe in my product. Dude, I was joking. I'm very sorry, dude. Yeah, I was just joking. Yeah, you know that I'm crazy, right? Yeah, I know you're not rich, dude. I know it. Yeah, it's hard, right? Making games and believing in them. But I can see, dude, that you are believing in your game. I admire that. So yeah, keep it coming, dude. And buy whichever fucking asset, expensive asset that you want to buy. Yeah, go for it. Yeah. Do it for the ones that, for us, the ones that we can't. Yeah, do it for us, dude. Yeah, in a good way. I mean it in a good way. Yeah. When I said that you were rich, that was just a joke, dude. You know that I come here to tease. You know that I'm stupid, dude. Okay, let me do this one. Yeah, I gotta close the sides of the tarp. Yeah. Hey, Steph, I saw that emoji, dude. I saw that emoji. This is so funny. This is so funny having these conversations with Hayes, because I understand some of the inside jokes there. Okay, this one, copy and paste. Genki Dev says you're all good, bro. Yeah, thank you, dude. I appreciate you not getting offended. Sometimes I'm like, oh, was I too much of an asshole with all of you people? Because I am like that. I like to tease my friends, like my friends here in real life, like in my country. Like I'm a total asshole. They like, yeah, they hate me. So this is my vibe. I like to to tease my friends. Instead of sending the emoji. Yeah, dude, I know that what that emoji means. I know what that one means. But let's fucking go, Hazeb. Yeah, let's fucking go. Yeah, it is what it is. Okay, HM says, well, I better hide even my Windows is not active. Oh, shit. You understood the joke, right? Yeah. Yeah, dude. No, my Windows is active. Yeah, I bought this computer from Asus, from Amazon. So it's an official Windows. But I have used a whole fucking lot of non-official Windows copies throughout my life. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, not gonna lie. I think we all have done that, right? Yeah, especially if you're a nerd, you know your stuff with computers. At some point, you install an unofficial Windows copy in your computer. That is like a rite of passage of being a computer nerd. Poor Microsoft. I'm very sorry for you, Microsoft. Okay, there it is. So now the tarp is closed. Awesome. Let's go back. So, hey, Steph laughing. Catches says there's official Windows copies. Holy shit. Barok is lurking, people. Barok is lurking. Barok works in Mojang, which is a subsidiary of Microsoft, and Barok can report us to the executives of Microsoft because of this conversation. HOM laughing. Yeah, dude. It's like a rite of passage, right? Using a non-official copy of Windows at some point in your life. Especially if you build your own computers. Ketchup says, report me to Notch. Laughing my ass off. Notch is not there anymore, dude. Yeah. Yeah, Notch is not there anymore, unfortunately. Okay, let me export this one. Export scene. This one's gonna be Small House 3. Awesome. Genki Dev Microsoft. Yeah, dude. Microsoft. Poor Microsoft and all of us using all of those unofficial copies of Windows. Okay, let's go back here. Hey, Dev, is your official copy of Windows? Is your copy of Windows official, dude? Mine is. Mine is. I can show you here. It came with a computer, so I'm proud that at this point in my life it is official. But when I was younger, it wasn't. Okay, let's go back into Unreal Engine. Are we confessing crimes here today? I'm just gonna plead the fifth from now on, right? Yeah. I'm not gonna keep confessing trademark crimes and shit. Because maybe one of these days, they will come for me. Could you imagine like me getting swatted by the FBI here in the third world because I said that I was pirating Windows when I was younger? Hesdev says, no idea. I got this PC secondhand from some guy in OfferUp when you were 12. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I'm thinking that it must be an official one. Yeah, maybe, dude. Calavera says, Notch is a living existential crisis now. He fucking is, dude. He fucking is. Yeah, I hope that Notch is well in and everything. He may be trolling in many ways, but in other ways, yeah, he doesn't seem stable mentally. I may just be an asshole because I may be judging, but I hope that he's well because he has been such a big influence for many of us, right? But he does seem like his head isn't like in the right place right now in his life, which makes sense, right? Having that bunch of shit load of money can really break your fucking head if you're not ready for it. So yeah, he's really in the next existential crisis. I can see that. HM says, I will save your confession in my PC. Yeah, dude, you can go and clip this shit also. Yeah, go and clip it on Twitch. Make me go viral. Like, solo Unreal Engine game developer confesses a crime on Twitch. And I can go viral and then people can go wishlist my game. It could be good for me, dude, if I got accused of these hideous crimes. Yeah, so I wouldn't bother, dude, if you went and reported me. Okay, these windows are a bit too big. Yeah, they were too big. Yeah, too tall. So yeah, way better like this. So I'm gonna fix this face. Yeah, but yeah, for sure, Notch Notch, the creator of Minecraft, it seems like he's in an existential crisis, which makes sense, people. I would also be in an existential crisis with that shitload of money. For fucking sure. It's hard. It's hard to find motivation, purpose, when you feel that you already figure out life. Yeah. And you may feel that way when you have $1 billion in the bank. So... yeah, money can be good and also bad if you're not prepared to have a lot of it. HM says, talk shit about Unreal Engine 6, talking shit about Windows, talking shit about Notch, talking shit about being a nerd, talking shit about being stupid. I can talk shit about everything, HOM. Yeah, don't start me going because I will never fucking stop. Yeah, so, yeah, dude, we all love Notch, dude. He's had his crazy times, right? But, yeah, I don't hate Notch, not at all. I know that many people don't like him, but I still love Notch. So I hope that he's well, dude, and he can get out of this rough patch that he's going through. For sure, because we need those kind of game developers, creators in the world, dude. But it's hard. It's hard to be a billionaire and have the motivation to wake up every day and code 16 hours and grind the same way that you were grinding when you were younger, right? Yeah, the money will take the hunger out of you. Yeah, for sure. HDev says, I think my passion and reason to live is game dev, but my roots of doing game dev don't come from money. I do think I'd lose a part of my drive because I'm no longer working towards money. But I don't know if it would be that bad to have $1 billion. Maybe he's just has no passion. Dude, same thing for me. Calavera says, maybe Minecraft 2 ends out being good. Maybe, dude. I would say that as a human being, knowing how psychology works, Minecraft was a result of a very specific time and a very specific grind coming from Notch and this small studio. And replicating something like that when you have a lot of money, yeah, having that hunger and knowing that you have to figure it out, it really makes you do things in a better way. So I think Minecraft was the result of that, and it's a different thing now for Notch. So HDev, yeah, I know what you were saying, dude, but who knows, dude? I could also say the same thing, that I have passion. I don't do game dev for money, dude. I am not making money of this right now. I will just start making money when I release this game. So yeah, I was telling that to another person the other day on YouTube, because he was saying like, I'm trying to get into game dev for money. How much money can you think I can make? And I was like, dude, I cannot answer that question because I didn't came into game dev for the money. It'd be cool to sell my game, and it's selling well, but at the end of the day, I came to this because it was my dream, dude. So yeah, I hope that it sells well, dude. I'm not saying that I do not hope that, but yeah, dude. Yeah, I could understand me becoming a billionaire and not wanting to come back every night here to work on my game and stuff if I'm feeling tired, or I want to go and have some sushi in Tokyo and I just got up on a plane, dude. And yeah, you can lose your hunger with a lot of money, dude. So you gotta be prepared if you become a billionaire, I think. Yeah, I think it's good, right, to be a millionaire, but $1 billion can really break your mind. I'm pretty sure it can really break anyone. HDev says maybe he should put it all on black and get some risk back in his life. This is Mrs. grinding for money. Yeah, dude, I think he should. He should put back risk back on his life. I would really see that giving him back that hunger that he had when he was younger, for sure. Yeah, it's a risk, dude. I work hard on this game because it's fucking risky for me, dude. I want to make it right because it's risky for me. If I was a millionaire, I'm pretty fucking sure that I wouldn't come here each night to work on this and keep grinding and shit and working late. I would just take a fucking plane and go eat sushi in Tokyo whenever I want to do it, dude. So, yeah. And I could have the passion, but yeah, Having the hunger, dude, and having the risk makes you work harder for sure. HM says, I don't know, nerdy. It sounds like I'd rather be rich and have a lack of motivation than poor with lack of resources. It's not cool to me. Money is just a tool. It is a tool, dude. And we can say that because we do not have $1 billion in the bank. None of us have $1 billion. It'd be cool to have money, dude. But do you really want $1 billion, dude? Because that could really fucking break your life, dude. This guy can't even walk anymore on the street without bodyguards, dude. Yeah, different kind of life, dude. I would like to be like a, if I became wealthy, like medium wealth, dude, not like crazy wealth. You could become fucking crazy, dude. All of these fucking billionaires became fucking crazy. I wouldn't say there's one of them that isn't fucking crazy. Yeah, they keep working, right? They keep their companies going and shit. But they do not seem to be mentally stable in many ways. And they lost many good things in life, it seems. I like the simple things in life, dude. I really like to have good money. I would really like to have good money to not worry about many things, right? But at the same time, yeah, I can see that example from Notch. And $1 billion could really break anyone. Hesef says, if I had all the money I'd ever need to live, I'd probably do less game dev to the amount I not really want to. But also looking towards maybe a family with finding a wife or something, who knows. Yeah, dude. Yeah. I think it's good to have enough money. Not all of the money. Yeah, so the sweet spot to keep you going. If not, if you have $1 billion in the bank, dude, you're just not gonna have the hunger to keep going in many ways. And I think that life is having that hunger, dude, of solving problems, creating stuff. Yeah, that hunger is good, dude. I think that is human nature, dude. Us figuring out problems, creating new stuff. It's not having numbers on a bank. Yeah, dude. Yeah, if you ask me, like, would you want to be a medium millionaire or a billionaire? Medium millionaire and having hunger, or a billionaire and having no hunger? I would be a millionaire a million times, dude. Yeah, for sure. I really like creating stuff. And I'm pretty fucking sure I would lose that edge if I became a billionaire. Abdi says, nice. Thank you, my dude. Thank you. HM says, same thing happened with Danny. I think he lost the hunger. Many people lose the hunger, dude. Calavera says, just look at all these lottery winners. A lot of them got ruined by it. Exactly. That is the best example of having way too much money at a point in your life that you weren't prepared for that amount of money. They just spent it in a lot of fucking crazy ways, all of these lottery winners, and really destroyed their lives in many ways. Yeah, I would really like to have enough money to keep going, to take care of my family, to keep making games. I wouldn't want to have enough money to lose the hunger. Yeah, that would be like my sweet spot. So what Hasef said, have a family and shit, get a wife, have some kids, and live well. That would be really, really fucking cool. But Notch has that $1 billion and he doesn't have that. So other people with less amount of money have that. But HM says money management is real. Yeah, dude. Genki says NerdyPunk is a skydiving instructor. I don't understand this one, dude. I don't understand this one. Ketchy says, what do you do for work, if you don't mind me asking? That's a good question, dude. I'm gonna answer that one. HM says, to make my dream MMORPG, sure, give to billions. But other than that, it's just money management. Yeah, dude, we all say that we're gonna make whichever thing we think we're gonna make if we have $2 billion in the bank, right? But most of us, dude, we would just go and buy a private jet and fly around the world watching Formula 1 races, dude. Yeah. That is just human nature, dude. When you have an excess of resources, you're gonna take advantage of those resources. HM says, not having any problems isn't natural. You see these billionaires become fucking evil and twisted in their brain because there's nothing to life anymore. Exactly, Hayes. Exactly, dude. Not having any problems isn't natural, dude. You start thinking about other stupid stuff in life. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, dude. I'm not saying that money is bad. I want my fucking game to sell well. I keep telling all of you, add it to your wish list. I really want it to sell, for it to sell well. It's not that I am saying that money is bad. I'm saying that in an excessive way, it can really break you, for sure. Genki says, if I had all the money, I'd use it to make all the games I think of. We all say that, dude. We all say that. But yeah, if we were really in those shoes, yeah, Notch is in those shoes, dude, and other millionaire game devs are in those shoes, and they didn't do that, and they were even more passionate than many of us when they were younger. So you can really lose the passion with an excess of money. So it's good to have like the sweet spot where you have the hunger to keep going. Hazev says, if we had millions, we'd go fuck off and be in bed all day with any food we want. Yeah, dude, that's what I'm saying. If I had $1 billion in the bank, dude, I wouldn't be here working on this game, live streaming on Twitch. I would be on my fucking private jet flying to Tokyo to eat sushi, dude. Yes, that's what I would be doing. Genki Dev says, you could just pay people to make the game. You have virtually infinite funding. And that wouldn't be that fun to me, dude. Yeah, I like the fun of the process, of getting into the process and figuring out the hard stuff. It would be good to have people working with me, but not paying other people to make things for me. Calavera says that would be just corporate publishers like EA. Yeah, and I don't think many people like working in EA. Doesn't sound like fun. Yeah, for sure. So, yeah, different things in life. Yeah, it's a deep conversation. Also, Catches asked me, what do you do for work? If you don't mind me asking, dude, I have been a graphic designer. That has been my profession. And sometimes I do freelancing work on that. But mostly I have not been doing it because it takes a lot of fucking time managing clients and shit and making changes to the work. So at this point, I'm just like trying to live it with low expenses until I finish the game. Mostly, dude, I'm working on the game. I do freelancing work from time to time, but mostly I'm working on the game most of my time. I want to finish it. Yeah. So yeah, I wasn't saying that money is bad. I want to make money off the game, but $1 billion, yeah, I think that shit would break many of us. Hesham says, you guys are confusing comfort with money. Money can provide some comfort, but it shouldn't kill your creative mind. It's strange how you mix both. Don't. Dude, we started talking about Notch. That is an example about money providing comfort and killing your creative mind. That is the best example, dude. Yeah, that's why the conversation started, because of Notch. We were talking about Mojang and then Notch and then Minecraft. Yeah, it's not that we started talking about it randomly. So that can happen to any of us. You wouldn't have thought this would happen to this very passionate person in 2010 or 2009. So yeah, being human is hard. It can happen to any of us. Hazev says, we're talking in excessive extreme amounts. At that point, there is no difference, because with absolutely zero problems except for your mental health or other health issues, your mind creatively wouldn't be killed, but you'd have barely any drive. Yeah, in excessive amounts. I'm not talking about money being bad. I would really like to have the comfort of money, dude, and having the freedom to do whatever the fuck I want and not thinking about many problems, right? Like about helping my family and shit, not thinking about the future, not thinking about health issues, money. We're talking about the excessive amounts and being a game dev. And the example that we started talking about was Notch from Minecraft. Catcher says, I personally would like to have just $1 million. That's it. Buy a nice house and invest and work in games forever. I feel like that amount is the goal because the hunger will be there and you can spend $1 million fairly quickly. Yeah, that makes sense, dude. Isham says yes, not because he has a lot of money, because he's too comfortable. What makes grind is lack of comfortability. You pushing to get there. Yeah, dude. But what makes you think that we all would have that that hunger of grinding when we have $1 billion in the bank. Yeah, that's what we're saying. What Ketchu said, yeah, that makes a lot of sense, dude. Yeah, having enough to buy a house, help your family, and don't worry about the health and eating and having a roof under your head, right? Yeah, over your head. Yeah, that's what makes sense. Calavera says, billionaires in chat, what do you do with your money? Do we have any billionaires in chat today? Yeah, billionaires, could you give an opinion? Genki Dev says, at the end of the day, we won't know until it happens. I could say I would still make games if I became rich, but I won't know until it happens. Yeah, dude. I have seen many of these guys becoming millionaires and not repeating their successes. Yeah. Many of them. Game devs, artists, musicians. You lose the edge, dude. You can lose the edge. That hunger of having a risk behind you, it really puts a fire under your ass to make things, and you figure out cool shit. Yeah, create new shit that didn't exist in the world because you have this hunger. Yeah, for sure, dude. Yeah, I'm not saying that money is bad. I'm just saying that having $1 billion, $2 billion, you should be prepared for that. You should really be prepared for that, because it could really fuck you up. Genki Dev says, yeah, I read that one. Hezef says, in my opinion, there's virtually no difference with money or comfort at an excessive amount of money. Money only provides comfort. Hezef laughing. Genki Dev says, gotta be like Mark Zuckerberg and keep doing stuff. Yeah, dude. You gotta keep risking it. And I also think that Mark is fucking crazy in many ways, dude. Yeah, I don't think that these guys are normal. They look like reptilians. Yeah, billionaires are fucking weird, dude. And I am not a billionaire hater. I admire Mark in many ways. I admire Bezos in many ways. I admire Musk in many ways. I know people fucking hate Musk, but yeah, I can say that I admire what he done with SpaceX, even though he can be an asshole in many ways. Bezos, Zuckerberg. So I am not a billionaire hater, people. This is not the conversation we're having. The conversation we're having is, are we all prepared as game developers to have $1 billion or $2 billion in the bank and keep doing what we're doing with the same hunger? That is the question. That is the question. Calavera says they eat babies. The billionaires eat babies. Who fucking knows, dude? Who fucking knows what these filthy rich people do? HLM says, Stardew Valley is a great example. He didn't lose anything and he's still working on a new game with SD taking over 10 years. Yes, dude. He doesn't have $1 billion in the bank. He can live a cool life, invest a lot, but there is still risk in the wealth of this guy Baron from Stardew Valley. Yeah, he still has risk in his life. Notch doesn't have any risk anymore. Yeah, so it's different to have $40 million in the US in the bank than having $1 billion or $2 billion. Different. Genki Dev laughing your ass off at what Calavera said. Yeah, dude, who fucking knows? Who fucking knows? Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, dude. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not talking about 40 million, $50 million. I'm talking about $1 billion. The example we were talking about is Notch. Yeah, and why Notch is in this existential crisis, and why has it been so long of an existential crisis? Yeah, and I would say that it's this excessive amount of money for a person that wasn't prepared for it. Yeah, maybe other kind of people like the Silicon Valley guys, they seem to be prepared for that amount of money. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. So it's different industries. Hezef says, if the guy who made Stardew Valley kept all the money he made, it would only be 10 million. And if you're aware of how Steam or game dev works at all, you know he didn't keep all that because of returns, Steam cuts and stuff. Yeah, I didn't even know. I'm just assuming, like, yeah, throwing out the number there, like a couple million dollars. I'm assuming that he made, right? He didn't make $1 billion. Yeah. So a couple $1 million in the United States could give you like a good, comfortable life in which you still have risk and you want to keep grinding and working. But $1 billion, yeah, you could be spending a lot of money each day for the rest of your life and you wouldn't finish doing it. This is why many of these billionaires, this is a good example. Genki Dev says, I think with having $40 million in the bank is very little risk. That's still a fuck off money. It could be, dude. Fuck off money in many countries. In the US, you could burn through that shit in a couple years if you were living in a wealthy way. The best example that I can give you about this thing about money is like people like Bill Gates. Many of these billionaires, they always say, I am not gonna leave this money to my kids because it's gonna fuck them up. Yeah, they never say that they're gonna give this money to their kids. They say that they're gonna leave just enough of an amount so they do not lose hunger in life. So they know what the fuck you're talking about. Yeah, they never leave the $20 billion to their kids. They give it to charity and shit. They give a fair amount to their kids, but never the full money because they know that their kids would just stop working. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is the conversation we're having. I'm not saying that money could take hunger off you. I'm saying that a lot of money, like $1 billion, like Notch, would really take hunger from you. Hisham says, dude, with no way, you're way wrong. He made more than 300 million on Stardew Valley. Genki Dev says he would have sold a lot on other platforms also. Yeah, I didn't know. HM says disclosure amount was $450 million for Stardew Valley. Okay, let's go and check it out. Let's go and ask the AI overlords. Let's see if the AI overlords have any info. Okay. How much money did the creator, not the game, did the creator of Stardew Valley has made after taxes and expenses and shit? Yeah, let's see what the AI overlord tells us. Okay, so the house is looking cool. We've got 3 houses. I may add some okay, so let's check this out. We've got the answer. So as of December 2024, the game has sold 41 million copies, including 26 million on PC and 8 million on Nintendo Switch. So one source estimates his net worth at $45 million, reflecting the game's significant success. Another source suggests his net worth is around 40 million. Yes, yet another source estimates his net worth to be approximately 100 million. Yeah, I'm thinking it's around here, between 40 and 80 million. Because, yeah, you do not get all of that money. Not at all. Not at all. Steam is gonna take a big cut, the publishers take another cut, taxes take another cut. So you could sell 41 million copies. It doesn't mean that you're gonna get all of that money. So yeah, according to this, I would say that it's between 40 and 100, which would be fuck you money. But if you're like living in a crazy way, you can burn through that shit in the United States. I have seen that. I have seen that. Hezdev says, yeah, it's not possible to make $500 million from game sales as an indie dev. Yeah, because of all the cuts that all of the other people take, right? Like publishers, platforms, yeah, stores, taxes and shit. Yeah, even if the game sold that, you wouldn't take all of that money. So yeah, let's assume that this guy has between 40 and 80 million dollars. That is fuck you money. That is really fuck you money. But if you're like living like Mark Zuckerberg or like Jeff Bezos, you're gonna burn through that shit in 5 years. So you still have the hunger to keep working and making more. So yeah, good money to live comfortably, but to also have hunger. That's what I'm saying. That's why he also has hunger. HM says, well, my bad, then I should sue someone for this wrong info. Yeah, dude, I just asked the AI overlord there. That's where we got the information, dude. Hezdev says, yeah, people tend to disregard publishers, platforms, returns, and taxes. Yeah, dude. Yeah, all of these fucking platforms, Yeah, take a lot of the money. Calavero says, could Notch be the only indie dev that got to be a billionaire? I think he was, dude. I think he was. That's why you see other people that made a lot of money. Like, which would be the best example? I would say that the best example would be Jonathan Blow. That motherfucker made a lot of money with Braid and The Witness. But you know why he keeps fucking working? Because he is spending enough money to be thinking that in a couple of years he's not gonna have that money. So he knows he has to do another fucking game. He has the hunger, right? Yeah, that is a good example. He's not a billionaire, he's a millionaire, and he still has the hunger to keep making a game. He's making his own fucking programming language. That motherfucker is crazy. So it's like the sweet spot. Yeah, I would say in the United States, like between 10 and $80 million, you could live like a millionaire, you could be comfortable, and you could take risks and keep working. A billion, nobody would keep working on games with a billion in the bank, for sure. That's what happened to Notch. Genki Dev says, move to a US state that has no income tax. Yeah, dude, not all of us can do that, Genki Dev. Not at all. HM says, whatever, just give me 40 million, then you fucking assholes, like 30 or 40 is a little number. Yeah, dude. Yeah. 40 is cool, dude. 40, 30 is cool. It'd be cool to have those 30 or 40 millions in the bank, right? Yeah, I would say that it wouldn't break a lot of people having that money. Many people could get broken by that kind of money, but many people could manage it. A billion, that could really break many people, dude. Hezef says, billionaires, give me some money for you fucking assholes. Yeah, if a billionaire is watching, there it is. There you have my coffee link. You can go and donate on my coffee link, billionaires. Yeah, so if you want to leave a couple $1,000,000 on my coffee account, there it is. I'm gonna link it right there in chat. So if you're watching, Mark Zuckerberg, Notch, whomever of you is watching, you can go and donate a couple thousand to this indie dev, solo dev. Genki Dev says, money please. Calavero says, give 1,000 now. That will make me happy. Yeah, dude, I would be happy with 1,000 right now. Yeah, with 1,000 or 1,000,000 or 100,000, I would be happy with any of those. But the conversation was that one, like $1 billion. That's the one that we were talking about, not about having money. Yeah, so billionaires, there it is. There's my link in chat, my coffee link if you want to donate. Hazedev says, I'll be running around the house when I finally get my $3,000 from the game. And dude, did they gave you a response? I had forgotten about it, dude. Yeah, did they give you a response, these people? Yeah, dude, holy shit. Yeah, I had forgotten about it. Sorry that I hadn't asked about it. Okay, let's try the plants on this new house. Okay, we've got a couple plants here on top of the tarp. I may make this one smaller. Yeah, check it out. Smaller looks cool. Let's look at the reference. Yeah, there it is. Awesome. Yeah, but I think that somebody asks, right? Yeah, Calavero asks, like, which other game dev got to the point of making the billion? I think that nobody else got to that point, too. Yeah, many made less money and they stopped making games. Yeah. Yeah, so... yeah, game development needs a lot of hunger. Yeah, and if you lose that hunger, you're like way too comfortable. You're just not gonna want to be like 16 fucking hours doing this shit and squashing bugs. Because it's not an easy process. It's not an easy process. Not at all. Hezdev says they responded about the game jam, but I'm still waiting for a response again because of needing to talk about stuff in order to get the money sent. Dude, that's so shitty, dude. That is really, really shitty. I'm very sorry about it, dude. I hope you get the money soon. Hezdev won a game jam, people. And the price was $3,000. And yeah, he's waiting for the money. And that's what we're talking about. So we hope, dude. We all hope that you get the money very, very soon. Okay, let me bring these ones to the sides. Let's bring the air conditioners. Yeah, we've got the AC, so let me delete this one because it makes the whole thing look weird. Let's do these ones on the sides. So where would we place the AC? Genki Dev says, Nerdy, do you think you'll apply for an epic mega grant? Yeah, good question, dude. Calavero says he won. Yeah, he fucking won, dude. He fucking won the game jam. It did. Joe Toro says, yo, congrats, Hazedev. Yeah. Yeah, Hazedev says, thanks. Genki Dev, I already applied for an epic mega grant, dude, and they rejected me. I may apply again, dude. I'm not sure if I should apply again, dude, because I'm not gonna be applying with another game. It's gonna be the same game. It's gonna be in a better shape, right? But I'm just feeling that this is not what they're looking for. I'm thinking that they're looking more for like games that showcase more cutting-edge technology, and I'm not using any cutting-edge technology, dude. I'm just like making the game that I wanted to make, not trying to use technology just for the sake of using it. So I may do it again just for the sake of doing it, dude, but I already did and they rejected me. Calavera says Flex Haze game here. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna show it here. Hazev, do you still have it on Game Jolt? Hazev says, yeah, I fucking won. I won my $3,000 already, so I can sleep in bed all day long for a week. Yeah, dude. I hope you get the money soon. HM says, you would hire people to do for you, that's for sure. But I'll just make a new billiards with it. But I think it's all about the goals. Yeah, it's all about the goals, dude. It seems like... yeah, it's about culture and goals and shit. And... if I got $1 billion HOM and I was like Silicon Valley guy, dude, risking a lot of money because these companies like burn through money like crazy, $1 billion wouldn't be that much because I would be burning through it. So if I would have to be a big ass fucking studio, dude, to burn through $1 billion as a game developer. And yeah. Not even these big studios burn through $1 billion in the development of games. Genki Dev says applications close on April 14th. You might as well try. Yeah, I might as well try again just for the sake of it, right? Genki Dev says maybe since Dragon Quest 2D HD2D released and it was successful, it might be more appealing to Epic. They rejected me 2 months ago, dude. The game had already released. Yeah. Hazev says, I'm already thinking about giving up my drive to get shit done just from a silly little $3,000. Imagine billions. Holy shit. Yeah, yeah, dude. And you are very driven. This fucker was doing live streams of 16 fucking hours, people, when he was working on the game jam. So this is a driven person. And yeah. Yeah. HM says, I'll just make a new Blizzard. Oh, yeah, I read, you said billiards and I was like, yeah, Blizzard. Yeah, you could make a new Blizzard with that kind of money, dude. But you would just become a manager, dude. You wouldn't even be making the games. Headsdev says, yeah, it's on Game Jolt. You can search on Google. Yeah, let's check for it. Calavero laughing. Genki Dev says, oh, rest in peace. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, dude. So it was 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago. So let's Google Life of Mouse on Game Jolt. This is Hazev's game. The game which game they won the game jam. So Game Jolt Life of Mouse. Hazedev. I'm gonna link it here in chat, people. If you want to check it out, here it is. This is Life of Mouse, the game which Hazedev won this game jam. So let's check out some of the screenshots. Yeah, there it is. I played this game. I played it on the Steam Deck. I played it on my PC. Cool shit. If you want to check it out, go and check it out. It's a good game. That's why you won, dude. You really deserved it. Okay, so let's keep going here. Yeah, the plants. The ACs. Yeah, where are the ACs? Condition. Yeah, air conditioner. Let's see how they look. Where are they in the references? Okay, so this one's different. I have less space, so I may do it smaller. It could be one of these windows, right? Yeah, it doesn't necessarily have to be outside of the window, so I could do it right there on the window. What about the other houses? Let me check out the other houses. Like this one, do we have an AC? No, we don't have one, but I'm just gonna place one just for the sake of seeing an AC on each of these houses. So this one, where would this one be? This one would be here, I think. Yeah, around here, right? Yeah, it would make sense to have it there. Yeah. Getting back to chat in a bit. People, give me just a sec and I'll read some comments. Okay, how about this one? Could we have it there? Okay, we've got the AC conditioners, the AC units now. Hezdev says, yo, I just found a random guy on YouTube played Life of Mouse. What the fuck? Which one, dude? Which random guy? Hezdev says, thanks, man. Calavero says, just look at Vince Ampella. That motherfucker is corporate now. We will never see a good game from him anymore. He's not the only one, dude. He's not the only one. Many of them lose the edge. It's hard, dude. This is just human nature. It is hard to keep your creative edge when you have a lot of resources and you can live very, very comfortably. That was the conversation we were having. It wasn't saying that money was bad. So yeah, it has happened to many of them. Esham says, I just want to finish my first-person shooter. I really don't care. So finish it, dude. Finish it, dude. Get the fucking money, and then you're gonna figure out what would you do when you had the money. Yeah, figure it out. Yeah, I would be really happy for you if you got to the point where you have this kind of money and you find out the answer to this question. Yeah, to each of us, it would be really cool to, yeah, get our dreams right, get the good money and shit, and know what will happen when we get to that point. Yeah, I hope that I don't lose myself, because I think that Notch lost himself in a way, in many ways. It's been a while since he sold the game to Microsoft, and we haven't seen other game from the guy. So I'm not being an asshole saying that he's in an existential crisis. Hezdev says, a very small YouTuber with 2 subscribers. He played it like 11 days ago randomly, so it popped up on the Google search when he looked up Life of Mouse Game Jolt. Oh shit. Let me check it out again, dude. Yeah, Life of Mouse Game Jolt. Yeah, here it is in Google. Let me check it out. Oh, playing random games on Game Jolt. Yeah, 1 week ago. Cool, dude. That's really, really cool. Yeah. And yeah. Here it is. This Ben Chicken. That's a good screen name. Ben Chicken. So yeah, people, this is Life of fucking Mouse. That's why this fucker won. Calavero says downloaded it right now. Yeah, that's why this guy won. Yeah, this is a game for a game jam, people. Yeah. And Chum says, don't worry, nerd. If I get a billion, we'll make a game together and I'll buy you a free burger. Dude, not just a burger. You should just buy me outright as an indie dev. I would like turn myself into a company and you would acquire the company. We could do that deal, dude. Yeah. So promise me, if you become a billionaire, please acquire my company for $100 million, something like that. That would be the price that I would give to you, because you're a friend and you're special. Hezdev says it's getting pretty late. I'm sure you'll be going offline soon, so I'm gonna go watch this video. Yeah, dude, I am going online right now. Yeah, 3 hours already. Gotta get some rest so I can keep going on this game. Coming back tomorrow, people. 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time from the US. And don't leave on Twitch. I'm gonna do a raid. Let's spread the good vibes. Other people came to my stream today to spread the good vibes, and I want to do the same thing. Wanna give back to the community. Calavera says a Ferrari just like it devs. Yeah. If I got that money, I would get a fucking Ferrari like John Carmack. Fuck yes. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, that's a good comment. We would all get fucking Ferraris like John Carmack and John Romero. Okay, let's go and do a raid, people, on Twitch. Yeah, let's go into Twitch. So if you're on Twitch, stay on Twitch so we can do the raid. And if you're on YouTube, come to Twitch so you can be part of the raid. So let me find the raid browser. So So thank you people for watching. This was really cool. I appreciate your time and your attention. The conversations were fucking deep and fucking good at the same time. So this was really, really cool. Yeah, thanks a lot for being here. Coming back tomorrow. By the way, yo, Jed is streaming again. Yo, let's trade back. Yeah, Jed. Yeah. Okay, so it's crazy. Jed raided me and he's streaming. So I'm gonna give back to raid the favor. Yeah, this guy is so cool. Holy shit. Yeah, so people staying here on Twitch. I'm giving back to Jet the raid. This is so cool. I'm very excited about it. So let's see how many people are gonna be on the raid. 17 viewers, 21 viewers. Holy shit, that's really cool. So starting the raid, ending the